Yada say yasamu akoba BMW Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so Apostle Dr. Nita Ekotego yada sending cranshan sama odiama ye nedwe anopen sama atodwa ene de browse Adom TV Badwam kase de obatie wo mu bi eni aban na ni abresa krodo make say wo de asrafo okoboko wo mu nkohwe masumdue emra fisa de ekoso no nyame animu ni entwa ye de sansam no ebebro make say MCE ya wono wo suhum ene eye immigration penifo aka won ho abom nipa bi a ya befa wo mo se ye de wo mo kosua adwuma wi akire galamse ne ye de wo koye no yakogye won afiri ho sansam no ene nsem bi na no pay ye de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live a Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube ne kwa adomonline.com nsemi ne nsem bebre ewo ho fasedama Majoy Trish ntadi bako ene shemi midi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den samni chiremu ankasa etie ena make say Ghana ban asuma Ghana Armed Forces so won mo enkoboko no mo enkoboama asumdue ene dinye emfa ntuma pa emfamfra ni nyina ne se na nsen asa Kenya no ho den ya wodwene ho ba bia onti ase
kwachi ofosu swafo hwe aban kita hodi wakwakobo omanfo ene ejapade ahodo e wonpotam ho eho ban omo esa kire se asrafo yi kwa wokọ ho no ekohwe ma asomdwe ene kasapa akoso ho num se ne be ya omanfo ebobadwo aban agina so abo otekokọ so asantehene otumfo se to abebi otoso mienu ene asanteman ne ahemfo ahodo a wo mo egina ahwe mabo commentem ho ase no afa ne ntoma pen afra nyina no abaso ya wo kire se nanka otumfo adawroma mentem ho ase ke ebe wi ya nesa na ano asa akohunu mu a basabasa asa no homene so ho no fe nso won motem potem ho modin ase woni Ghana asrafo dom a okopie ho no ebedi kaso bom se de be ya asomdwe ebe ya adwuma ho eno da nchen a soafo hwa amanwe ho nsam so enso e de abetudwa se wonom e de hwehwehwe na curfew ato omanfo wo na lerigu ene ne potem so ya sese no wonom e be hye dem frɛ ewia no mienu akosi anopa no nsia ya eno e hye ase ene dai kiza wonsabo so mene de to so aduonu nso ya aban esre se ahemfo ene wonom ka bi yeye won potem wonim mabunu nyina amomodi aso beka wakoma to wayam na afei susu mentem ho ase yekoso no wo mo ebehwe masomdua ba ansana wo mo atumi asanya wonfa hodi apie bio afei nso wosa editabo ato manfo wo na lerugu ne mpatam nyina so se efiri na ekoi wo bia ntumi enkita akondie bia emfa enante mpatam ho no bibiara wo bekere ne saa no mra ene ne bidi ya enya asem keto akora
Mensi krache ya wono wo suhum wopoye mantemu ye Lydia ohene wa Sara wone Ghana Immigration Service ne ankrankre bi ni nyumaku enso abase Engage Now Africa ka won ho abomu a enipa aduanan mienu bi a yakofa won so wokoye adwuma nso wi akire ye de wokohye bia yetufem agudi a emre ni ho no na yensa ka wo mo wo esikafo amantem bronu bi no ewo suhum Adom TV kase etwaso
Suhum Municipal Assembly, in collaboration with Ghana Immigration Service, Police Service, Social Welfare, and Engage Now Africa, omoye NGO, and yababi PM. Ewo Suhum potebia efreno esikafo amantemo. Yinyane nti ye last week say foreigners be ababe shikasi. Enunti ne se ene yeba na yebehwe kwan yebefaso. Na yene won wakasa na ye movie won back to their countries enunti na ene anapay yegina ha sei inti anapay yene social welfare for immigration service Engage Now Africa itu anamomba ha ye behwe no immigration for abomodin rescue in collaboration with Engage Now 42 victims enkrofo adada won every one country mo ahyehye won bo se adwuma bi wo Ghana inti omombra eno mo de won aba be hye mu na no kwasem ne se ye ba ye ne krampo efie ne kra la ona ne kra ye nim no ye nim nua odi efie ne kra ye den e ma ye enti we ye won na ye de ma landlords for se sum ha de ye mpese ye soso ne ma bi se isokra because in pempi ye hwa eno na de criminal bebre den eba municipality nim no
afesi komla ene pani kwankyerefo a woda Engage Now Africa no ewa bibremu atoya ha ena ode atodwa se one aman hodo mu panimfo egusu dinkita ho se wono mu a wade hye abepie mu no wetimi asan ede wakofia somdwe mu a woni bia enka ho
ye hu se e nipa bonifu bi na ehye baabi na recruit nkrofo edi omo ba me te se madam ne o kasa no ka se nipa oti ono nya adwuma bi a adwumboni na ba otim ye nuani mo motie bebre omo de omo ba omo de omo bebo se bi Brian Fata tutu bra ebinim so e bokro no pa ebinim kura atia no so san recruit nkrofo nti opushi ye ma ye ne Nigerian High Commission edinsa so ndura ye frɛ obi wo Sierra Leone opanyini baako na yetimi di nkomo madam san pushi ma ne Nigeria High Commission penfo ni bi kasa ya enne yetimi di emu bi ba beko ema mienu na kan Ghana fo na kan no immigration officers na hwɛ sɛ ɛyɛ omukɔ fato mu recruit bi fika so a disa nipa num no omukɔ no mo amaka na ye bompa yɛ sɛ Yankopɔn bɛboa na obi a opɛ sɛ support na ombeko back to the country of origin near the omako
Asumdua fa ne ntoma pafra Nkwanta South mesin mu otimante monti a school for be 864 stand to kwa ma ne ho so yede wo mo ekofie anaso wo mo nkofie na asumdua mra no ene ya meka se yasafra wo mo so wo mo mra me hye wo masua no ase
Anipa atuse yenyina bomba ese asumye beba na adisua ne adikire betua so na omo aba se omo akosre kwan na omo se ye tua so asem papa yesu ye susu se ne be ya ofra ne ba mra de be hihye na omo transfer mu asumye omo tuma Johnson ke ya omo wi na enu achi nkura na asumye beba na school nyina abu papa na abeto ya yesu no nyina ba be hia wa community chabogo and passex te ye hu hihye na ye gusu ye se achechefo no beba bin cry be ma on temporary accommodation se na be ya ye be transfer na ya ye revision kakra na friend to me actually
na gadisa okunte ya ono eyo hene ya wachala nana okaja ya ono ewo achiode na nana manfo momfanche ya ono eye adele ohene enso edi tudwa se esesa mofra ikwan bia so kokosua de efri se ahwe ya na entokwa ewo ho no amo won so wadaachi akwa yi bibia wo ho enwinti esan enwumasua ho mfaso a ewo mpotam ho na wagidie enti no ene wonum etusa na mo no
first nka yebenya region akwaja ye yebe na sensu sabas nka yebenya university anesu sakwaja ye sere Ghana kwantamai kotojogu form omumboa ye ba bia basabasa yiwo bia bia njai akuma asori bia ye sere rade se embra form
yedi ehu yamo nti ye pasumdwe e wo kuro no nti kasahoro no adela chode ade chala ye nyina ye nkambum e na kasa bia e wa mpante nyina ye nyina ye mfa sumdwe emfante no man no na school for nkwala no atimi abetworo wa sumdwe mu na o man yo montamapa afra
me antade Bamafo regional minister MC Obia support here. Amande yaba be management of the 3 secondary schools I work on Quantamanzi. It's the best threat our no. So Obia man in Colamra. At if Chafon so membran so yes remo Obia na adwen say Obia enyama fun bi besan sibiu na mbom bambon sem de yahye ama bibie akoye. Nti yadamase
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwe media fia amankwa tamaklo na ye to so dia adehia ya wonmo ewo adoso ene ne mpotamo ne ntichu wonmo nsamso bia eye adoso ko enchi amanfrom womo chese sa bridge no enye ache bebre bosha ahodo na mpanifo abehye wonmo a na mampani John Dramani Mahama ene ka ho a bosha etoso mienu a wasade abre womo ne womo hwe ni mu se neidie ombetumi adisa won hye no eso na tumi abo won se be ya sa nsamso bridge no eso akoni abedie no bekoboko amadehie.
For the bridge, we believe in our president, John Dramani Mahama. That is because he said he has done some before.
Senior, dada ni baya or dada yenu. Mahama na wabasi say ane di ejini di si. Obe to me ayamai.
For the time, eba si ombeye bridge na want me anyenu. We de me ni jide bi ase bia. Ewe Mahama time nso de ombeye di. Because of sena first one ni baya na eye bibisa no. We di agenya me bam
ye wogidi wa ban mu say wonya kan de obeye if you say ye hwese de oba betra adwa so no nani wo kwawu ha ne afran prince no a ye de wogidi
de ebeche nti minia nka me makuma so onye kwan no mayansa
se omaka ya hwe animu anso emba nti no so ntu na amame kase bia me nigidie se obetimaye
aban na musini ya ono ewo kwawu afram plain south Moses Tangmi enso ene adom kase etwetwe nkomo ode tudwa se aban eni di sa adwumadi echi pa ya sika ode bedi sa adwuma no mpo wanya ede ato ho no ma enche kura sa adwumadi no eba be hyase enu nti omanfo obo mpatam ho enka wakoma ento won yam
sika na omukwagie so omudi be bridge amaye a omo anfanye no obi a okwagie sa sika na wa divert sika no dia different no wadi nsa ato abrewadu animu ba omis NDC and President John Dramani Mahama ya beya hwehwem ahwe ba bia sika na akwadi because omadi afran plains for abro MPP ne na do akufo do aban omadi afran plains for abro because sika no it was purposely meant for our bridge and we don't know the whereabouts of the money until bia ne sasem bia no obe question obe answer.
Ajadifo ya womo ewo WASSCE Black Park ene dey wo stressa wo bambo mo nsem na mpanifo miem womo abambofo no so pa na mo edwa no ene adehye wo mu nyina ho ban ene empo ekro no mu na afei ensi ejahehye nso ano kwan na make us WASSCE Black Park Unity Association no no mo ayesiesie nyuma ene nam so modern semi etudwa
nje unza ya ntwan ama yare mmoyen ansana sa ansiesie ana ma ya tu ho esi wosan ndedei obia enye adwuma ana obia mbie ne container until say ya adwuma na wie na ya hati a etumi akoto adwuma di ya die so aho ya femu de doso de edikan pa awa ha e challenge ma yan ayesre oman empanifo ana omo aka bi a ebemu oni se amomwo yan titire na Black Park ya akronfo titi empa
na no we see ekwo mani bin so swear the piece say
penifo so eka se bebia ye didi ho no yense ho nti efutu a mede ma menuanom a sabe ye container wa ha yenya bibi kakra efiri mu ne se ye besre se ne ye che medin kan aka no efi ya de a ede how bebre ba ti bebia wo ye adwuma no wo behwe se wo bedi ho ni wo sorry a wo be prapra na wo pra empo enko se wo be hye no wo bebia wo no na emom wo de bekọ na wa kọhwie egu se ne be ya bebia ye adwuma no ati na de nkoso so abre.
Old students are one more Asante Achim Central or for one who nobles of 1990 and they make us say what the West beings do. A commencing no emusam penfonye now on far and more buying a woofing home.
And see him, Yana say, who say, if he emry, you could na your MC so bad, so what one among pa who says he could me pa. Tina was saying, it's me, a be epia de ono so eyen nti anomo a yetu yi no ya namo a ya dwene ho asiera da na ene na meka se yetimi ada na di se de adwene ho sie en yi apie na ye bota ye nyina ne se efin so bete chance se efin so ti a apomuden beba
Abanka chipeni wa Asante Achim Central Ebenezer Echo Edua wajesa dasbins yi enso eda wonomo asese wo boa ahwese awonde wonsem ewo no municipality ne mu nso ebetumi akonkan
Asante Achim Central yebutaye say municipal no be the cleanest municipal ewo Ghana nya Asante region Ghana nti yetu anamo ayese yepe dasbins yede sisi krom na ya hodin entumi nti na yesresre ya manfo nti omo din kan omo respond to our call nobles of 90 omo ye eku a omo wie middle school 1990 no maka omo habom no ma beche 10 we na be boa ye dwumadi ne pa
Municipal Health Director Wakwa West say Celestina Asante or the additional netum penifo anymore so here scanning machines ewo chip compound awodro wo nkronkuma no emu na tumi aboa mapomuden pa akwaye
minya ya ankaimpo abai vini chips no oye no baby a chips with midwife wo ho bia yem fast scan machine enka ho or the scan machine ka ho unsanfa lab kakra
lab kakra se lab man wo ha obeye sa basic maternity labs no ama penfo no nanka senior ban person ka omobetu kwan bebre ansa makwa assess we no so ho nanka enye comprehensive like ni nyina nka ho preko ekrasefo asetana na emu eden nti sa ban dom yen dia ondom yen on that regard nti abrofu yi so sa na omo se yesra so omo dom yen na ye scan machine nanka omo boye ye establish very basic labs facilities na ya ye ni mo.
Dr. William Ofori ena ono eba no dani edema adokotafo a ya omo ewo Give Hope Global US abrochi memu ena also edetudwa se ombeba na omo de mwa abeboa won free se omo a obehunu hawa amanfo mu no ama omo abotu yi pa ti apomuden ne nwumasua ho mwa biara a amanfo ne hia no ode bebre won osan edetudwa se won ma wanyini no momodin a se obekọ akohwe wapom abra no bra no watretre wapom na wagya enchini bebre a wodie no se ne be ya ne nyina abeboa mo apomuden ejina na so
the mechanic say obia no so when you afibia no but modern so obekọ check up the toss to show wedidie mu yie na didi a nchine wom dodro ne sradie wom dodro behwe ni yie na the toss miensa say obeye say debia no say nantio na the friend physical activity so obeye active na afe no wahwe ade nso ema wakoma CP se oya sorry konia eno so be ho adwuma
Enya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no yemfansi ha yada semre ne adaje a wode maye wadaro maye kwaba de bonkrata no ne Adom online stories no to aso ye nchekura media fia amankwa tamaklo Yada se yemu akwa babiem Adom TV Badwam dwumadie yi so yada se pa mre ne adaje a abribia no de wode maye ne ada okese no ase bize na wotu ye wie yi se yakwa ye ne amanke ne obi ani aseda enso na dom ne humobro nti ye nyina ye wonkwa ye wa hoden ti wono ye asase no ye wie nyame no ode ye ebetwa asumdwem ti sori wokete so sori na kwa adwuma sori ade akye keka ho na ne manyina nye emaw medidi afia amankwa tamaklo ni ura sante da ku ne gina ha anopai radio Adom ye be me na menchia we
je onyame timi ye ni hey I wish I could see this oh yeah ne fe
yo onyame timi ye ni ne sa no nyuma no bi ni ya otuno bo asio oh yeah no fe
so mama njira Badwam
mra meshe ni onyame timi ye
anemu
isanu nyuma ye fe
na me man akwa ba congratulations
thank you
a lot of first class will go asa ono so aka top up the amain e de na ye kasa yi de uko Ghana school pom public health eye hono ma so hono ma bo kwa bo zina cho Ophelia amankwa oh wow iti Ghana fo nimdie fo ni abenfo aba miamie fo ya pomodin ho ne honimdie ne na sefo no wankonanti ba bia keke o wankonanti ba bia keke akọ ye ne masters we degree ni masters e ti be PhD ne zo go so raza public health enye adwuma ketwa onyame ne twa quietly anode abotire no ode aphem no na no da no e o legon so apom ho no na e fe keke betutu nyoma nyina anse na meji akira mamako tutu bibia o hwese ni wuraba na remember the finishing the apple what sua den na wo last minute hey oh mu ahom ti keke ti onyame nka ho
amen
onyame na do sha se odi wi no osa de okọ ba bi fufuro kra ti da nyame ase pa de ni onyama bra Badwam esu team no pacho hu na is what you be saying pacho with my doctor bia ma me na say na me hu me wi more than a consultant now akwado onyi a ono no obeto ka atai no so ata se onam kola ka atai je was koba we die rim 30 rim there o se wa sha se do no ga dimadi aye di nyina no in charge of health oba multimedia ha ya konsem nyina e fa we ba ye nya den ye fa ha ye nsie nyina no on e ne tua na nya won 5 minutes oba ne passion mesremu munyine mo apomudi huhia watata me aba we apomudi no it you are very useful for yen the majority says sounds no useful for one so or about if or then for you to social media na me share comments na man for the two just am so we ready that was say ye koye be nyina na nipa hwe de ye ti yeda mo ase pa o yeda mo ase ni yeda nyame nso ase nyina nyame na odina kwa bedu sa bebre hye akwantu na ase bo mo ntimi nkowi nya se bia bi obi wa sika obi ho adaje obi ho ma de na biri ni so hu hwe ba ni nyina mu no onyame de na ko asad na brɛn o de abotire na sa aso no de aka ne se ompegem sumo de sumo man Ghana no ompegem no fa no for another angle no be ko so abanfa so amaye nyina amen
that's it
oh wow
that's it
ba ni nyina mu no so no me ba na mbe me scam so da bi mpe boshe bia o ni bi ni mu boshe be kai o be she boshe sia afi bi ni me di ko to na ko fancy ma ba ti we de mi gina ma na mu mo yo manim nyame aduma efia da ne krada efia mankwa efia ti fiada ye to santina to kono kesie pa we tie we fiada tie na juade hia ho de obeka hye ga we de ne wanwa oye e die beto prama na waya de pa se ba wo do de broadcast mu de bre mai ho kwan ana ye de ebro bribia da ye asada kesie ma wo ko uni ho a yenso ye ni ho na ogusu otinetine na so egusu de se fatal e de ema apomude won komo beba na afi asemidi kan agokansi awonsepe ana mpense mu ye sha ase ade ye kai no se no nkono bo pa minute aduonu nu mpe e yen bedwom dwumidi na yedi no e de aba na wi enkire se Adom TV eno ano no da bi ene before 247 economy no na rani 247 dada ti bibia be koso akọ e onyoma akese ya disua e ya nigye e ya awonsepe e de mamo e wo sa channel we so
na nenso de wo awonsepe so no that anasa Lumba brothers omo first manager omo first manager just obi akura hu say
obi yiniti kura
say papa why manager pen like music na me say wow say nya politics wow so before be politician na che say
ekwan bi so ni kura ni minim da se ni de daddy aye wias nye Ghana the daddy aye wias enye Ghana so o monitor through Germany now ko now ko London now ko Rome Finland the kura me say Azerbaijan into onipa no uni ho a edin a uja wa chire no very important adwuma anyame soma asebe no we no no kuremu a very important if you touch lives positively very important it ye ni nyuma kasama no we asafra na nyina ebi ni far away but emotionally they are more demonstrating a chese nyame anim no kure ni that the Lumba a chain icon chain legend nti me gidi se de ewiase bo na baso no saa na yen a yete hei yenso de ani die ni abasobode
nti na de from ahosapa linkowura asemidi kanade
bezempeze mu nyina ebehye onye nipa
onye nipa ketwa nti no person hu ne first time Lumba brothers no hu na omo manager di kan how meet omo ene say ne efri ya ne baby omo abedru ne so onye fidie ni free akoso omo ne na ha ya de hu sem nyina no ebebro yenhwe de obon
so it's about that the workout team they bring my ho quite quickly the bro jidi sefia man kwa be why raging so person ne kasa kwanja da ho on 0302 211 701 0302 211 in fact sem hiya me nyina apart from nsema hodo na people sem hiya me pa de say o ma mu nyina sisi de adese de empaye ye me ani nkodi boku achi
seriously
mesremo a yenhwe kasaye yenhwe de ye twro yenhwe anamontu extremely careful o ma mu nyina obaka say wa twro mesremo de bi adameka say insure short e wo voter regional enye wa dwen say that be na be do greater kana kodu ashantana ebe do simple eti yabobo so wo boko ho no ma no entimi an contain boko ho no afede tretre hye no musaati ubehu no na baabia ye nyina titi nyina na baabia nyina wo nyina baabia nyina ebutu nyina mesrew obi amane enye obi amane ye nua no amane awo ho ache ye mpesa nkomo na mudidi wa chese na amanyosem ana debi baabia dunu whether amanyosem or enya amanyosem there should be and there is always a solution
and it says say curfew 2 p.m. to 6 a.m.
mesremo Any pleasant cry, any pleasant because so mudi agos so mo edi ave omoka so mo so omo ine dwane afiri ho aba ha.
Ya be kwa ha.
Ya semfufro.
Edi esro. Na no madaro ma.
Ya semfufro Ghana nyina nkambom quick. Na yen hwe kwan bia onyame be man nyimdie na yetimi dia solve this Bawku crisis. Because what you want cry, but you pay, but you commerce you pay, but you voters you pay. Are they say connecting sa, connecting sa be wura e Bawku issues debi. We don't want that again. And my nyina feel uncomfortable. The misremo amadaroma before central for the over for opinion leaders. Every Ghanaian who matters should have an interest in this Bawku conflict. I feel a community. Papa.
Now it will be a curfew starting 2 p.m. there. At the next morning 6 there.
Yeah.
That is how we cause activities be anywhere because school nyina ba
Bibia ana Bawku hono nye Bawku fo nko ana ti ho misrew. Amanfrafo Ghana nkura hodo nyina so we've arrived there. Misrema Modaroma.
Hospital so be yarekura ye be den.
Modaroma. Madam, baby, all of us, it's an emergency. We should help solve this problem. Timesremo, Central Nibia and the Bonibi Obisbeba or Tradia and all cast some master. Misremo, he played critical role in solving this Bawku issue.
Asamba could be our tray. A bit media soon. Basayaba.
Mesrel wo de on pon wasem na oni mu hwe na onye hwe a enko ye bibia be peja ade ne makodu mpempen so so nkokra wada wo betro dabi ehia ya asumdwe Bawku ye esremo a
ya kan say me enfa impops and to
no so e crash aba on say na me ka say ade aba mama entity ye ba yenti ba ti say nipa ashasi
so far ya confirm me one death. And he has 23 new cases. I can't. It has some no cabna casani etia. Ohro sensu ne samana. And I won't be big or and to now on castle be a way bear pimple and I be rush back could be a while dear hospital. No more. It's better than. O better what they owe and every. And I said, who be bisa, especially it's not public transport. On the no wash idea, a becata, Uhunina. Now, one can be amana and farmer because we are the SOPs or offer public transport. Yes, certainly, dear moi. I dare know you bet me are preventing. The other now, yes, it can be done. I will do what I want to see. It's so. Young Koreans and sure summer no so. And my no, I said, I dear becata or come. And your impops and uncle, when you're cold, also under Musa, now to boom. Only here who ye. Anytime beer so any summoner, well, near beer, sanitizer, to be fashion pocket, a beer or bag you. Kitwa, my ear and cute. Now, yeah, no, I was shown, sir, they are grown, sir, come on. Yan, I don't know. Yan, sir, na M.Y. and Yarwano, a door so.
So, the Democrat Republic, the Democrat say MPP showdown begins. As party releases timetable for flag bearer race, he said we be at them complete. Sir, now me had mentioned crack up Nigeria, Japan, 12 pepe also down the Eddie. So maybe see a kind be. Into another maybe it could be the first person or declare official intent or better to on the timetable. Now, Bawku and
and on your face, Doctor, are you true? On the on what back or yeah, you Facebook or you be
kind of work be a kaka. But we can
okay.
Maybe okay, because
Brasamiano pay am watching more kwaba. Samiano Pauti and Kaya Mwakaba.
Papa, in my back up, I'm in Feninia Grandpa. I want to say, I'm
Yadum, Yahuya Pa.
You, honorable by champion, some terms of my channel pay, and you may dear with the boy of my Ghana. Now, last week, now we knew a car to a young command, commerce and uncle took questions here.
Uncle to ya then.
Uncle took questions here.
Uncle
to Nanny.
Oh, to Nanny.
Monsieur. One of them say yes. We are back who could do for I go to questions. Go to Nanny. Ocean near say I did PI or my one, not in Sakwa questions. Then the question, Obekuma, Brian, my chapel, so now, name more on my Hinabaso. Now, on my an opinion, some work half a Bawku. Sanka radio station and TV station PN Kukudru Sana Kataya Academic de Epemi de papa. Yes, and your question, Eja, Edempa Naboko, Wopo Yase, Ede, and I'm paying for a down from Ukraine.
See her papa now for Province. Yeah, that's a pa for Chay, ya, I was so, ya, don't pay your watching. Ya, out here and Kaya Mwakaba.
I'm Joso. Oh, my, you need come out something. Oh, my, you need come out something.
Congratulations. The three
your body, I can.
Nah, the American say, oh, my, say media for no one, Osha, Oko, Baby, Buna, Baby, because we campaign to you to call mine, send you Timono. You best say, the Toka, if he say 2050, 24, but 2025 feet, or mine, the Pokunu, Dawson. Masa, Osheta Malaysia and Ofia, Minimubi and all a Kibu and Wallace. The junior, the senior brothers are Baba Senator, or Loka Yakunu. Aden, the Bisana was say one number, but to come up with a UCP Yakunu. That's a DDC or I don't know. My own Jackie, you must see, said Panyabo, she can say ground, mine in the wood, you couldn't back.
Fancy her,
and
radio for son pay your chairman, your mom watch Mamma Quaba, Yada must say, Mum and Mother, I would mind to come in fancy.
Well, and I see, congratulations.
Thank you.
If you
yeah, that's your Quaba. We want some no health tips and 5 minutes. Yenche, neuropathy, a home common a wiki moyeka. Mr. 5 minutes and you free her. Yakwaba.
Right, Abusia, Yasan to us in beam, na watch for front, Yatiagu Musano, or Yasam Ketwa, and Nesome Shawn come say, you will be victorious. Yes, it is I am victorious. May Shawn come say, you will be victorious. And now pay, and no a star 281 hash. Now I select Adom TV, the match of 1,000 Ghana cities. Me promise you, may Shawn Bo obey victorious. Beautiful song right there. And on a day, Papa Quimama, Niasha, I can see us and Anopai, and some dosso. There's a fatal salt in the Abrabama Quinono, Namota Guinness Adamo, yes, I can call me Ediaba. That, of course, Franco Trading Enterprise from Papa Fiso at yes, Mukinke. I'm Yadi Bibia, Abra, Kamapa, and Easy Bernard Paddy Butre, and me producer, Kejuan Cassani, Erica Dubueri. You have a chance to enter. You can now over the weekend and send me Brennan Corso, preseason games in Corso, but the chance to free the women's AFCON at Corso Morocco. Now, you can chance to free the third place game, Ghana and South Africa, and at the Epem so Bannery and Ghana team Jan nice so at the bronze a fee a tournament team where South Africa and no more young penalties I to me I qualify saying I just third place bronze or tournament. Now, young has Ghana game on the
Conlon caught in possession and rolled in. Well, Jermaine Siposenwe hassled and harried and it broke kindly for Mtandi, who still had to hold her nerve. Yeah. Oishloka. It's a good-looking delivery and it is in. Ghana have found a deserved equaliser. And they profit from the flag has stayed down, at least for the time being, and of this battle for bronze. To bronze. Oh, Mackay denied the ball during regulation time. Brought on for this moment. Slots it away. Nancy Amoa.
Looking to turn her way through the fence. Shot comes in from Shaba. It's the captain. Right. Lunch.
looking for Jraidi. She slipped a little bit. It's fallen from Masudi. Chance for number 2. Morocco have doubled the score. Are they on their way to the combinations title? Okoronkwo against Murici. Okoronkwo sends her the wrong way. Nigeria right back in it. Excellent goal with an opportunity for her second. Squares the ball. Nigeria are right back in it. Ijami Lucy. Floater into that penalty area. Uzraoui. Saud. Good skills. Floated up. Running onto it. They've got a third. Nigeria are about to pull off a massive turnaround. Okoronkwo's free kick swept. Nigeria have won the Women's Cup of Nations for a 10th time. To hand it over to the Nigerian captain. There she is. Rashidat Ajibade. Nigeria celebrating as African champions here in Morocco. They are winners of the WASSCE Cup.
Right, and so I know the course, so Ghana's third place against South Africa, and then of course how Nigeria to me back be winning here on the 10th women's AFCON over the host nation Morocco. And to say yes, Morocco are taking the lead to her Emani book more, and Nigeria or per host nation Shepa in 2000 or South Africa Abrano winning the 4th AFCON. Then of course in 2016 so host nation Cameroon winning another AFCON, and then of course in 2025 we share a host nation to win the 10th in Shannon Sosa FIM Nigeria. Oh my idea pa one penny more you her reactions kakra. Now, I bet you the Black Queens of Ghana. I catch Jennifer Kujo, a Ghana player. After say Ghana, to me, Atoso Miensano and Sama, Jennifer Kujo the 2 journey.
Amazing. We wish we would have been in the final, but we are so thankful and grateful for being in the 10th place. And it's just everything that we worked for, it just came to pass. We are just happy, and I'm excited. I'm grateful for the opportunity. Yes, there's a progress that, now, so we hope that in the future there's going to be more investment into women's soccer in Ghana, and we'll get more out of it. So, but for now, it's getting better than it used to be. Yeah.
Wow, Jennifer Kujo in somewhere there to a after the game, and no. So yeah, we share the Black Queens well. So yeah, we need more World Cup qualifiers. I hold on a bit. Me abomo dinyako pimo. We Brazil. That is the World Cup proper now. Ya kanisano no. Ya mungre muna ya nkoshe na Super Falcons na mamu adwuma. Yes, Super Falcons adwuma pa. Just say kwambia so matimi age sa tournament dey so matri. So after say omoji ye no Super Falcons awie ani ji aba omaji omani o dress room na dey no. And some kakra players be the 2 journey.
Ourselves we can do it. We really said it, the coach said it. So everybody, all of us, we went with that mind, with that motivation that we can do it. And you see, we did it.
Special. Wow, the 10th one just shows the standard of women's football in Nigeria, and my first trophy in my professional career. So I'm just really excited.
And I'm so grateful for my teammates. The collective effort, it is crazy because no team would come back from losing 2-0 and we won 3-2. It's God's grace, prayers from back home, the hard work of my amazing teammates, the coaching crew. I just want to say thank you to all of you.
I feel good. I feel accomplished now that we have the cup. So now we brought it back.
Oh, so I know the course. I wore a final name where they on summer so by now pay star 281 select Adom TV and from our but and Sunday be film man no president of CAF Dr. Patrice Mochepe say ya wie bibia kan bibia app ni ade ade na Mochepe say otia se di interest na tournament yesi koya koye pa.
Well, we are very proud because the quality of football that our women teams displayed over the last few weeks world class. We are very, very proud that the investments we've made over the last few years, they are being entrenched, and the future of African women's football is enormously bright. And we will continue to make more financial resources available for the competitions, and you saw that we have doubled by 100% the prize money for the winner, and we've increased multifold. I think overall in excess of 50% the total prize money. And what is important to us is we want a significant amount of that money to go into the pockets of the women players and the technical team, and also to make sure that in every country in Africa, the partnerships with government, the partnerships with the private sector are very important, because as much as our focus is to make women's football world class, and we are confident that our women's football can compete against the best in the world.
Wow, and so I know the course why they want some, and so Bre War into to say yes. Ekoyi papa and they to say sikapa na be Ghana ho I say kwan bia so no ye betumi me dia bibi dim dia bibi nya say kwan bia so akoji scare ba ye hu dia de ba be say be hadwen pa nti ye be how it goes, and like now CAF president the to Jano to say yes bibia timi akoye ne no and it gives up say ya to bibia mu ama say eko kona nimpa I say ubia anya kakra wini abenya kakra de go botomo nti ebere sane yakwa ni mo na betimi I improve na bibia so timi akoida ya kana sa no star 281 hash select Adom TV I'm in 1,000 Ghana cities star 1,000 Ghana cities na kwambia so de go botom na bibia timi akoye and na Monday start the week right or starting week now the 1,000 na start here to start 281 hash baby say e mudi e no select say Adom TV so na me twa no na be say utwa he now start 10 20 30 40 50 60 and check you be draw no 1,000 dey go botom anya anopa ipe e be san baako ansa na ye wie bedwam te na ye 1,000 mienu e wo bedwam so take a chance to sa efama me hodom now ya kan say ye mongra mu metema kuma asante korokoko pie mu e wo bi man South Africa na the Toyota Cup yes na ba na wie na korokoko Johnny nine so atimi abo Kaizer Chiefs 3-2 on penalties at the Toyota Cup there city match so na nya easy South Africa mountain so ye mongra
easy dealt with we took having enough numbers back. Chiefs again looking for another opportunity, and well, they're appealing for a penalty. How much of that contact from Ansu? There's Miguel! Oh, it's gone wide! They can't believe it. And Johnson up against Peterson. He had left his line, by the way, in the last. They've struggled in the last three in as far as conversions. Can Johnson get them back to scoring ways? The answer is yes. Sends the keeper the wrong way, and immediately the pendulum swings over the Kaizer Chiefs in the way of pressure, real pressure. Now in sudden death, they have to convert to stay in at Kaizer Chiefs. Nicely done. Kept his cool. Was it Miguel stepping forwards? The man who missed the penalty inside 90 minutes. Has to convert to keep Chiefs in it. Missed the target altogether inside 90. Important to keep it on target this time around. Yes, Miguel! Oh, it's denied by camera. Asante Kotoko of the Toyota Cup champions. The captain misses twice in a one day. In fact, he misses once and is denied on another occasion. Mohamed Camara, the hero of the day.
And, well, 2 Toyota Cups, one against Young and Liberty last year, Younger 4-0 winners. Here they are again against the Santa Quantico this year. It's the Canadians that walk away the Toyota Cup champions against Kaiser Chiefs. So the wait to be crowned Toyota Cup champions will continue for Kaiser Chiefs. Thoroughly enjoyable day of football. They'll be hoping things are much better going forward as we look back at the save. Again, comfortable save. It's a poor penalty, in all honesty. And for the Canadians, they've had to work hard to take us into the penalty shootout and to enjoy the celebrations late in the day. So, at the end of it all, after it ended with a 0-0 scoreline in 90 minutes, it's the Canadians that win it from the penalty spot quite dramatically.
Right. Okay, and so the course of the Toyota Cup ni mu no Franco Trading Enterprise the Motor Guinness can hono pay na yade brewo. Now ya kan sa no na okopie mu wo South Africa na ye gisam kwansa na wadi kan hu coach Karim Zito, we head coach at the ma Kodoko say they confirmed on na ahwe in the next 2 years after omo win the Toyota Cup in Samni.
I think we coming down here, you know, it's like just coming to precision. So at the end of the day, I felt when we are able to win this cup, it also add some importance to the club as a So seriously, we plan towards that at least we should be able to do what? To win. Because I learned from the second time they played. The first one, they won by penalty against Kotoko. So it means we have to do our best and then win this game to also draw with them. So now it's 1-1. So we are waiting for the third one. But it has also given me the what do you call it? The insight of the players I'm having. You know, because many of them have never played in such field before, or with people, with the crowd. You see the crowd, and they've never been to Africa. So we getting this opportunity. I will take it to be one of the best for the club and for myself and for the players.
Right, Karim Zito, head coach Koroko, Nensa Mono Malta Guinness, and of course Franco Trading Enterprise. Star 281 as a canipanum. Now my first 25 on my bum. Na mama 1,000 Ghana cedis no me Bawku sia star 281 hash select Adom TV me Oscar fangu botomo now okopi mo 2025 Africa Arm Wrestling Championship Ghana yakotie ho ani mu a anya sam keto akra Bednego die hire
Ghana Arm Wrestling team no asan ayomo ade ne biom eye the Golden Arms na se nei wo ba ebibram ha yina na omo nsem odin omo betim odin e man ne mema na koshiaye ewo Nigeria ye Abuja na ye African Wrestling Championship dwumadie na epa ne wie no na oman Ghana Arm Wrestling team ye Golden Arms no asan apeja oman franka edi kowiom a ehim se pa sa wo hwe medal table na Ghana gold no ye G24 silver ye G20 and a bronze ye G9 and unti sa wokani na boma 53 medals and on mine Ghana African Arm Wrestling Championship by course war Abuja ye 2025 ye tumi eje ye na pani pa Ota Ghana Arm Wrestling Federation nano ono anso and ota Africa Arm Wrestling Federation no ota no ukọ wiase afa na ono enene oyabedi chire empano Arm Wrestling mu a obo adwuma ye pa pani pa ye friend of Charles Osesibe e dia todwa se Arm Wrestling ne tie se basa yenti o man Ghana nim dia o man ye krado enu nti o mawie Africa die o mo besesi o mo ho na nei wiase afa na guru kensia e bekoso Arm Wrestling mu no o maginam ati o man Ghana nim.
Right, and so only and someone kwambia so no a course so Africa wrestling championship. At this time, I mean 12,000 Ghana cedis if fangu botum sanse a chanejo and a jora dikakra fagu botum it's small into your pocket. Aha na we can chassis ye from our party adia. Ya bandiani aba enti sabrin benum because fagum ti me babem a match of 1,000 edia go botum minum and a minum wono. Kai asu 1,000,54321 and only yanko panya yasu 055 143 9 something 055 143 9 something. Wedi me frost here oye buruta me catch now say oyiro ho obedi Dubai na ben sa no yes Ken Trust Travel yes and now pay me share the CEO of Ken Trust Travels fantastic morning going out to you Mr. Akington Obwajuma Mr. James Akington ni pampempimo kopie mu Dubai ni akwantu ahodo Ken Trust Travels nkrofo kono enya sam ketwa ese obetu kwan Ken Trust fantastic Judy, we are brutal pa, anti Fahunjim. Hey, and course, I'm near Panyas and because my ba. Oh, my ba, my ba. Kent Trust Travels at Dam. And Opa so Kobia, Fahunjim, and is a cry. Kent Trust Travels. Pa. Now, what in your dear, me boy, about so me front. I mean, what do you come on Malta Guinness weekendy? Games are hot programs are hot course you know a Malta Guinness and ya D and now finish on Franco Trading Enterprise. My member number them from 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and 055 593 9311 40% discount negotiate ya juma a Franco Trading Enterprise. Hey, I bet oh that me throw mfa oh esen kokra ade ye watwa wo twen sika ebi mu pa de watwa de a wo twen 1000 ye wade no we wo fon what and your man abedra are in Bota 32 Enterprise yeah Mr. NS Coffee Boatin of our in Bota 32 Enterprise and pay chow said dos na abedra aha ne man de sisi dem ni ade washrooms ni ade ne so abedra ne ma abanya sam ke o dos de efe na are in Bota mu dos de koye ene koye dale bo so nyane quality pound are in both your chairman and pay Mr. NS Coffee Boatin. After ya do ebesi area de pramtura can see ebebrewo. Channel so mame say nano ada or the Euros and Russia should say England are in a back-to-back European glory. Or my European champions, a man England for Nigeria. Spain soccer final, a repeat of the World Cup final. And I can be asked with England to me and 3-1 on the penalties. Or my idea, 1 penny where Spain first one, but in the end, England are champions. Imagine so now you see and no Paddy producer. I'm saying I know what na what nankasa kan kejwane where ka see everybody. The patch draw no yenwe ya kaba kwa yesan be etwagum *281# na yenche ska and ano paye. Koso ahebedwam.
Yamo kwaba Badwam TV Badwam Health Tips so na what you from muni a endpoint from your party clinic edumekro na da Roma no mbo ye chidoma yetumi edi nkomo a fa pomden ho enya dokotafo na esefo obia wo kasafa pomden ho no endpoint won da Roma ene enya won mo entime so yare nko ade a ene endpoint ene nsa wo so ne tichu se wo ye free scanning prostate scanning dia ma mema no fa hojim a free lab do betua na fe wa hwe ma wudi mu so infections ne ya rebia ha waduan yenko endpoint ho no hwe the number was screen no as 0244867068 5 minutes yen check na wotwi mu so ye be kasafa neuropathy eho ye ne Dr. Duboatin ene bedi enkomwe dog yemo akwaba ye da senso ene omoa na wotwi mu so ye kasafa neuropathy eno so ye condition ben a
yo medase ye be chia ahwefo nyina ye kase neuropathy na eye condition a e affect nipa de say nerves
okay
na ye kan nerves no a nerves no eye wonamdua na kwawa wo wonamdua ne ba bia ye wo nerves ni bu yitrim ye bi wo ni ye bu asom wonamdua ne ba bia ene na bu nipa dua no e communicate eno boa with communication ene nti no sebi wonam ana wutie gya na pentoa so a de be mu ahun se watie gya na pentoa na obi de bibi etiu ana obi de nsa kawa de be mu ahun se bibi aka won nerves ne boa ene sebi ukate wani mpo na do nsa hye nsuo mu a ubon se de odo nsa hye mu no nsuo nwunu nsuo hye ana se ordinary water de ma wanya sa atenka woni ukunkura ahia so ode ne ho beka ode ne nsa be so mu de be mu wate se obi a me de ana me ya no ne nyina no nerves no ne boa na sa nerves no na ho damage a ye be kasa wanyi bibi e fe ne se neuropathy de kasa neuropathy na se kire nyina no se nerves ya damage ye ne kasa nerves se ya bebre no ano nerves ni bi wa se dem kan na wo ye tirim ye be kan se cranial nerves sa cranial nerves ne se ya e be du me bi ne se nipa de se ni atenka je se a refie ene de ba be so ye wo ade bia na refi nerves ni bi wo ye ni ye fa ne se optic nerve eno se ya obi ani gu so enso wo hu ade color wo hu ade wo hu ni black and white obi nerves ni bi wo ni pada se ni asu ye be fa se cochlear nerves ese ya me kasa ana obi kasa ho a wonte ye so wa kwa nipa na no ye wo nerves ni bi wo ketrema so wo de ese ya emma ade anwono wonte ade de wonte ade no ehye wonte tasty pa no sa ade da na sa ade anwono no wonte bi je wona esim bu a wo ye hwinim a ye beka ne se olfactory nerves se no se ya emani pa ade bon a wonte obi wa ade hwiama wonte bon a wonte anani ye won nerves ni bi so control hunandua ni nyina no ye beka se autonomic nerves eno so se ya no so no under that ni obi e fe se sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves e se ya eno na abon se honam nyina honam dua ni nyina ye otitiriti ye odududu ye won nerves ni bi wo so e wo ye to ase e fe ne se sciatica eno so se ya bon se o to ase twetwen ene ye won nerves ni bi wo so e wo ye nim ye fe ne se facial nerves eno so se ya bo so bi wo ha de bia no wontime nsere asama esere no wo sere class wo su so ahu enti e mananim no ye kpankwe enkan for beka kankwe enti sana ne so te enti ka se nerves no na che se nerves no ene control hunam dua ni nyina se de akoma besi abo de ani kosua de control ani kosua se ani kosua ne bo up and down ni nyina nerves ne control se break it down wa na asem kese na che se hunam dua no kanea no ani hunam dua no de eboa ya me anya atenka no ene break it down enti ka se neuropathy na che se nerves damage endpoint homeopathic clinic your branches in Bibri, Kumase, Takrade, Tama, Techiman. Pomade ne friend ni ni komo. Fair number is 0244 86 70 68 0244 86 70 68.
Eda Dr. Dubotin ase. Mesro yenti ni yenti. Na otwi mu nkomo aye didi no nti se nerves we na ho say dia na your problem. Nti kan ye ho 5 minutes ye nche frɛ 0244 867068 na Dr. ni nkomo. Apart from the yakan yare bia hawadua our friend me dey afia amankwa tamaklo china sabre ya no asa kan ye ho ya to aso. Yada se ye mo akwa ba bi mra Adom TV Badwam dwumade so yada se mra ni adagie enti se dia wo hwe eye neuropathy health tips no ochina sabre no a won say ya nche 5 minutes na ya sa to aso e wo ho na se nerves eno ana ebo ni pedua no nti e ho tochima pe na ho no awu ayintumi enya adwuma nti ochina adepache ne nkwa hoden wo ho ana waka ye ho endpoint homeopathic clinic one Madoroma oguso a wo free prostate scanning any female fertility scanning so oye ni free lab de obechie bi na wanya bi de aba so yasen yare bia hawadua ofre dog was 0244 867068 obejo so 0244 867068 and 0274 234321 endpoint homeopathic clinic the end to chronic disease. Eda simidi afia amankwa tamaklo medo biase Ghana for maya maye fedodo ai maya de na mi hira mo papa na we post na we tro bloggers na mi hira mo me appreciate you biase mi hu na wase a bia na mi hu fa che me nya me bo payo nanso mi gina Adom TV afidie kese show do biase be bia wo hye bia wo tro ye wo post ye status Yamishamo pa. Faseda mama Joy Trish. On tadi bakuni. Ma Joy. Tade kama. Fefe. and a shemi. Ti wo ko Instagram ne Facebook omo ho. Frederick Opticals. And so woman in ho e boy. So mo mi apomuden ho nsem no ehia ye. They say the public health na mete ha no. Si se first me kana munti ha. They say the mbeti. Na they say no so me kana ni be wanya meti me kura atia on like. Yeah, hear my name say. The first in there I say a host. No, they say the host as they say the mesua. Nti also me practice the makosua no. Ensa na ye ka kire ye kwei. Ye nkoye ambassadors papa. Ti enu amenam potemu bi nkura bi de wo mo nsa sesa anua na say akra fefe ara na don sesa anua. Jai ne fi be rewra mo reni mu na de yare abro hwe adwuma na no start no. Ti mon ka me ho ni ntimemu amoda wuro. Bibia eye ebrosu bia no na be public health concern. What you say? Ozala make us say accident na adoso. Bawku bia me hu yesi wo dwuna se agric enzima ho baabi. Kana ko rasto ni mu. Omo peja Bawku. Ti mu say so okọ. Obi ti ni baabi o. Omi ento yebo bibia mu eya abotire. Ye no kakra inhira ne bebre. Yentena se na nyame wo mre a wo de be fro obi a. Ba ye nipa ne ya shorten your life because of nkwanhia. Drimika kukukukukuku ye kwai ye drimika sa ye wi ne akodu traffic so afi wo kotro na wo se na ameka se wo betu nso ne nyina ya sa besi mu yento ye bo abrabom na auto bo a onyame siesie ne fefefe adom na dom ye na edwoada dru se nso a wa wonim se ye call C4C liver specialist no mu ne ye din community trupa wo ye liver no eho na ne ye ba be hwe signs and symptoms ye liver function. So, nyema bi abeya ebetumi aha liver no. Ene nyema bi a wo ye ebetumi aboa wo liver no. Wa akopɛ liverton eduro ne bi so ano. Ti Dr. George Esiama Junior. Ewa ha. No pɛ dɔ yɛnchia we.
Just
e bi abɔkɔ de.
Adom ya mase.
Amisham papa. Anopɛ wo se ye hwɛ liver functions.
Yes.
Signs and symptoms no.
Yes, yes. Stefia, congratulations. In order. Ye di nchiama obi bia wenyamre na anopɛ. Stefia no krani brebo no de sani abribia ye ka no. Ye nkunja no. Se wo kɔ wo a ohia all your arsenals. Woto we jan bibia. Na imagine se wo kɔ wo na wo leader no. Ne ho mfa no. Na chese wo na wo kɔ no kra no nkranhye ni ho sa. Nti brebo no de ye nkunja no. Yankopon yansem no mabrebo na ho odin soronko bi. Nti ono ankasa no yare osa no ho yare. Na ninjuma no so doso. It is obeyare pe na chese afi juma e woso odi ni nyina no eso ate. Nti eni kwan se ye twen mpo mabrebo no yare. Nanso eya ye di hu agro. De bia me ka se de wo de sra wo ho ne de hu e ma rashes bi e ma infection bi a hu. But the echo woman, I am for any who. Nti na wo se brebo no ye nto na ejeje mu kra. Na se brebo no try so obesa no ho yare. Na se ontumi nsa yare na. Nsunsanso bi eda edi woni pedua mu ma ekenya wo se tu anamo. One major thing na esene say you be a friend of pruritus. Pruritus basically ejina homa ahokeka. Ebi wo wa localize, you can localize or one area pet. Ebi so ye generalize, etimi wo ho ni nyina. Ebi kura aquagenic. Na che se udware wie ya pet. Na ho keka. Oho empem mebre no utumi kako conventional practice and hospital abon say ye maw antihistamine. No kre because if you ba ni pedua ni mu a ye was special cells bi wo ye joint any ye hu na munua ni nyina. Ebi te say mast cell, a bit is a dendritic cell, a bit is a macrophages. Women who are no more produce histamine. The histamine was ever. Ne bio blood vessels, ne mamoja, a co baby if you know one, and a quiet wagema. And he said, a dose when he paid you and mupe. Now, if you know, a honkana dose. Necessary bread one dear. A fight is animal in our mouth. Until one major 10 year ahonkeka. Another thing they say, you'll be a friend of Bellerubin. Bellerubin, no. Say you spleen and your bone marrow break it down my produce red blood cells we are Bellerubin was a free nipeduanum. Breboya never provided bar na achi bilirubin no na se be dia ba abonten in our urine and na say in our stool I don't think be a say be woko baby so a no one who say we stool ni a gold color kakra because of bilirubin no but bilirubin no but na woni peduane mu che na brebo no ntimi yin free mu a na be settle wo weni na afa weni no aye yellowish esi won kwala mu ene na tede bi esi aye say yemfa no nkɔhye blue light mu all these things no aye liver no na ebo won kaye eno no ya another major thing one thing is say disturb sleep in fact nkrofo omunya liver problem almost about 60 to 80% of them enya problem with sleep na che so no ntimi na the tell say liver no metabolize hormone bi a friend melatonin no a sleep hormone and then ebo a ma utimi da it is a liver na ho de no kofo mu a obon say na ho ayede severe cases bi wo hokra utimi nya edema and say ascites ya kan edema na che say ni pedua no ye was 60% of water insuo de gina ye mu no eni kwan say broso ekobroso a insuo timi gina wo mu e de oha oba liver no produce protein e albumin no na the pressure be a friend oncotic pressure e balance protein no say ne be ya insuo no ndoso but liver ni nya problem a insuo we nyina timitina oni pedua no mu na afei onan hoho no omia na etom say fia erewo sam say obi wo hokra ne de no say omia entom nti enye problem but eno kra na ye dangerous no because e insuo any proteins e na aka aboma e betimi ema omoja na ye take na a preventing moja ye kwa adwin mu na afi wenya brain problem iti brabo ne de onni hu agro nada major thing cry ye say bia problem no kosoro na wonya ho hwe ya utimi nya me bia friend no testicular atrophy gina ho masa de e shrink oh iti say oh hormones to say androgen hormone testosterone hormone ye mbema ye produce ye ni animal ba produce estrogen hormone it is a hormones ni nya balance ye brabo ne na yesa ohun nioma ma wo ye bema no esote ohun nioma ye ma wo ye oba no so esote ti brabo ne de ye nku na ejeje mu kra another important thing I was say ye hu ne say obrabo no to chima empem bebre no etimi kra cell muscles you be a friend no myopathy hepatic myopathy brabo no etimi cell muscles no because we are malnourished protein na was brabo no produce etimi produce na ama abrebia no muscles no ayemre o muscles no aye weak we nyina no be build up abra obrebo no abo wonka ya ma onye ho hwe no serious important things we was here noticing say we be a friend no fetal hepatitis pacho fa chemi de ye kan na ne say enka boni bitimi ba wenum enka boni no ye because efia ba woni pedua nim brebo no ye zoom lion tisi azum lion ne yare enti efia wo mpotem ni nyina no aboa no e de mo afoforo e de dem afoforo nyina ba woni pedua nim ti e ba side enka e ba wenum enka no nya the normal one e bia ka so origam ana obrasha na ekọ in fact enka no kra to me develop to the sense of sweat no etimi wom jonso ase bi obe jonso no e bi to me wom na fe o social life e swati untimi mma nipa enka no ye so bad that if you mama ye hu say a combination of garlic and rotten egg. It imagine rotten egg and the garlic. Nature say one can say confidence level. A form. It's the other end was a train. Na brebono a call this processing na fi want to mean dini juma bio. You will be a friend of Galacomesia. Galacomesia che say bema when your breast. Nina because hormonal imbalance. And brebono na was say yes sir. It's the other end I will train. Now brebono atochima. Ansa na wa start ano no mundro afufandro arawusa meza wonu modro no kura brebo na na besa agi edro no aye wonjima na brebo yi eyare na chese o ntimi ndi juma na ye mawo anything na ye bo hu de ro se bebi a wo bia no ma obrebo no hiawo na pesi for C liver tonic na no identity na wo se wonu C for C liver tonic eboa ma hepatocyte tissue se obrebo ni mu sinusoid aye blood vessels obrebo ni mu lobes obrebo ni mu kafa cells obrebo ni mu natural cells obrebo ni mu ni nyina na ho ode no kosoro sene ebe ya ebe prevent infection ebe prevent itches ebe prevent all these things na ya bobo so I don't think yes say free number me to join na first 50 callers I was special discount FA so discount apart from discount ni ebe san your free delivery amount o baby awo Hey Ghana, Europe, bibia no mpacho frɛ. C4C liver tonic approved by FDA from 12 years and above. Now with me anom. Ma oliver no ho hia na bɔ ho ban. Frɛ number yi na yendi nkomo 050 00 40 331 050 00 40 331 and I say 050 00 40 328 050 00 40 328. C4C liver specialist, your liver, your life, your GM donidi, your treatment plans needy. And into Nadebia Kase, once treated, forever treated. And okay, do be ase.
Yes, Dr. George Siama Jr. Onyanyi senior. Yada say papa said no one say ya dear so yentie ni na intumi emwa ma menchia da Tony me papa US and we say do aba aha that Tony baby I want to pay me chia o papa mfa do mu ni agro e wa de nama me de hia ni ti papa nya mi hia o pa onye o kese mi apono mu emfa emma twana abedi 1000 Ghana twana abedi tra star 281 hash twana se see star 281 hash option e 4 siko sika twana se see na 1000 ni su account nu na je Badwam ye no so omo mu twa no so enti wo do ye word bia 10 cedi be 50 guma word in simple kra na 1000 Ghana na utwa 50 cedis na unya 1000 Ghana so wanya ayi bonus of 950 trying to see start to 81 hash option A4 it does so I say ye kwa ba na ya to so na nese de wuni mu no ahosepe asemidika ene Badwam Jumtuni kese ne mpensempense mu jumtuni kese na nwom chese ebi okro oto ye ne yesusua enso ene still ye da so ebo sese uti afi mimpo minyi ye na wes ni bo ameti ase o first na me lumba no meti a ase tiu na meti menti wes no twi ni modu sese na metiti biase chese nyansa nwom oh papa na adwum na me ye na mse ye nto de wes nyina akọ ko bebre wo ho we mu sa no talent Ode bebre ode ko tiene na wo sape no sister Sandy B oye guy wonne Lumba Brothers wo mo first manager honorable say adwuma me say wonti obi asam ho ayo say wo hu no no asesa na life no say manager manage wo mo pen nti sister Sandy de san komo no ene ye di daddy Lumba wonya ne ba bi ekro no ho komo Charles Kwadwo Fosu Charles Kwadwo me yapa but say yes ti awrade a wode ne dom ye no a wasa age no fa ne sie ye ne kunu ne mma ne abusua awrade nchichire mo wre won hyemodin ne mo ya because say wo fa ha na nwumi na esu wo fa ha na esu amekwa ne nwum nko ana ya metade to ko wese no ebi wanu mo wese o nti twen sister Sandy B oye guy odi ahosepe etwaso
yen church am mama kwa ba Badwam and dey wa entertainment the politics na nka oye na eje ya twa ba entertainment mu
sir asem na de be ma sorry
ampa na aya ye tese Lumba bo bidin wom na all this one we didn't know say eye wo kokofui na wo bo din no Eugenics o ma mo shara was near de na mpacho ehe na nim number e free ya ben na wo share no ne ye adwuma pen
ma mema tiefo achia no pay ene ahwefo nyina na emphasize da ma twedi ampo kopim se ono na aduma akwa na de bia chie da ye ne ansori a inu bi abisa no na no memenda mini a oboni dini na Ghana fo nyina oboni dini no obi ebonu nyumi onyame ato sa frɛ no obi ni nyame ni nsembisa utimi musa nyame sa adai se de open no ye ono ano de no dom amansan no de no dom abusia no de no dom Ghana nti osemra so omra fie no magina home nti baby akodwo obi a no pay
na wacha wada ma ya no ma oneso ka kinim sare ho aba ma
ya no kodwo anope bia no me stress onyame ade ne kra be sie saa na ufo adofo a wonso anyom ba bi ko nyina onyame mfa on kra sie mai 1985, exactly 40 years in it.
Wow.
Yes. And
wow.
You share more Germany. Sabre precisely West Berlin and San Ebeco West Germany. It's Meneno, Nana Champon, and some few other guys. It's nephew Bawku.
Wow.
Hona, a butcher Boshasi, Hona, musical career, and now entertainment industry in the career. Omina de Shasi. Now, and you may decay Yaka consume.
Wow.
No, Umidi, and you Yaka consume, no, I did 39 years old.
Yeah, you're 39 years.
Yes.
I'm still a purpose.
Yes, 39
wow.
years. Until I'm ranting about na a shame na as usual. I'm a near penny in teenagers, say more or less. My is a leader of the group, and as a leader of Yania Ohono. Okay. The original Daddy Lumba brothers. Yes, a chassis in 1985. Yedikai call it's now Krubis friend Osnabrück.
Which you come?
Yes, now Osnabrück, Bumpter Strasse, number 5. Just a Bumpter Street, number 5. And Sunday you move a call another crew, a friend of a Gone. To be in German, be of a Gone between Bremen and Oldenburg, or Niedersachsen. Yes, on your chassis. Now, Akusia Sewa, near Mammy, you know, and Tem, Akusia Sewa. Na ma Janet. We started from there. A choir could do the name Pempenswa on talent in a bedaddy. You're not near Shiamakasa near Dawson. But now, me nimum to the senior Dana Secra me to me. Until now, a Yamediano, Mimum a year, no, a yana, a champon, Lumba. Ona now a chedie nti clearly ye hu ye na makoye nua penny na se me boa na me support o na omutimi develop talent no and a career no nti I promise the team say me dey me go back to Ghana na mako back to school na in 30 years o be rule Ghana no man no me ka ho nti me ko boa boa.
Wow, you saw the vision.
Yeah. So and the guy said Chairman General Peace FM. One day I interviewed me Lumba say on the program so and all these stories came out. Sometimes Yana anybody be bring one how to connect me to the music
and politics.
Yes. I can't to me making just a bit, you know. Yes, it's basically sana unyamede on shasi wo entertainment industry. But my main case is sebra omo Ghana ha nyina no na omu energy music omu di mpenifu achi onom nyade. And that champion for instance there na me net the same area or North Interest Bantama.
Me area no. Oh, my face house on Trestle.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. You see,
wow.
Na champion there, na know the same area. Charles na Germany na Ishia Yankasa. That was 1985. Until Babe, 10 days ago I was in Hamburg. Later I moved called Hamburg, or no call Frankfurt, near Cologne, or near Kusiasewa settle. Until it's a long story. Yeah.
And 1985, this song was born. Still, you hear beat, you know. Resani and you born in Chima 85 granny and whoopee, but you're born we are. Said from the beats to the production to the lyrics is still popping. Yeah, I can't go into 39 years on. You ain't your number.
Honorable. Honorable, see, I got you. Honorable Kokofu. Yeah, your mama or bow beats. Now your boy in now. No power. Woo! A brand of pussy. Yeah, I you. Honorable. I got you. On the region, it's yeah, you. Honorable, see, I got you. Mama ma honorable kokofu yeah nyomo no na obo beat na ye boy ni nyina mo mo no fa
me say anyum wait till now bogus be to so obi an pepes ho aka ikaka or the ye no ho is me yaka kwen honorable yes anyum we e boni ade no na owo honom yenko me bra panyi bra kwesi eso one of guys na lumbe bo show na oni ho a ose wonmo se lumba wo event bi show bi na sandi dust ni ho a lumba ti me friend se fa flight baby a wo bi abra because na djuma so any and arguably the best DJ to ever do it, different generations, ladies and gentlemen. Andy Dusty. Bradwam Patrol, good morning.
Good morning, Patrol somewhere.
Patrol Adom now on sway. What do you name Sunny Adi account because you had a very close relationship with Daddy Lumba. I want to book a phone so studio ha and also we take you through the journey. Yeah, Yembisa won so only Lumba journey ne started free here fan since when I be an official DJ on any edgeman's net to say ni.
Minchia ashefuni na minchia me bra honorable kufu. Honorable good morning.
Good morning.
The be 2 years ni and Lumba na bien so okay say no all life band bi kopim say and you may be touch makaka. Matter of fact na okobo program bia na me wo na nye bibi kesi bia enti sadia obehia DJ dinachi and omo connecting me man so me bo man ba ko pe from the intro to performance until he finished. Just an amazing performance. You really are not catching me say. Chaloni, at the end the baby I see me go be a me no because and now I be was see and a chance the able concert kesi.
Wow.
So we started a dream part and thinking from that time. As we speak, Nanka, ye kwa America and Canada. There's a business behind the home. Say until recently, and I'm say na akwaba UK class on Nakasa. Then they sending me conversations on what have you. Meeting komono kase. Omo like bandunti. Just offer Andy. Andy knew the ebe here. Me guy say no January your American friend said Valentine's Day, there's a concert be away. I said it's all over social media. Nah. Me catch say Bram Nigana was you. Unigana was so to me ba. Them cats are grown with you. Oh, me wa na me yako. Say Pacho Lumba your money tickets mama na. My friend back na I quite serious but sending any abri and I'm pa maybe do ya the ball. So I event I'll go say no she hoodie red and say hey that night in Saturday across ABP ho and a little background to Saturday he was not even part of the plan because me one friend said yes it's Saturday about I'm saying and I am performing so imagine if I did not have the song. Exactly. But yes, I missed the performance. No, we'll break, invite Sarkodie onto the stage, and then we continue. And instead your cast me and the man. I only had a working relationship with him. In your best friend, maybe I say a Juma time as well. And I said, you may be by here. Apart from that, the only time of a friend me I see an income about Nimumbi and saying was you releasing. No catch him so be releasing from no. It's so funny. And in March, me releasing you no name say bra. So releasing you na sa and you must sound. We're releasing you man, it must come with a video. Indeed. To me releasing you na sa. Okay, but my answer. And he said, Brabeti, and I'm still sending my man, I'm into Debbie. Some sending man up, Ubufuna already.
Wow. That's a more.
Ubufuna's obo programs on me and then every breath in the Babiti. Now, there's one other thing. I see me pass, he say. Nancy, I'm American, I'm needing come up, yeding come on and make a fire, name your man Quanama. Now, me Busana Senna. No, I didn't feel saying, no, or trust, I don't know, because I think he was very young. Was he not 22? Was he 23 at the time? I was 23. No, Trump and his you were very young. I was Charlie that time now, Bravo, bone hard. No, I wild, didn't he? Or the choice I was him. Then he gave me a background to some of the old songs. And he kind of see on you be on my on Bessie Beppe for me cry because what's here, than a moment on Besobiti. Now they make us say me any. And I mentioned that and you be a deposit on there on Peck TV. I'm saying the bra from me because me hear your production so you and the so pa which me you show but me for penny come brana me am no international. Wow, this is how Juma.
Not it's no penny you meeting.
Oh, say as a musician, you penny as a producer. Me say be am to meet him in old works ni be. But it's already about with my baby be like oh. And I mean, I was saying me do a can and I was saying yeah. And so also ties anum ni bia. As and the wild tape production be into your day. But who say we reviving her bra. Na me no nyina antanase because I remember saying my library show me didn't come so one day we or say or he's actively involved in every production.
And so my question what say I work say ne person to say lumba ne one na nante as no say hu no 1 month ne video na adwuma mu ni social ne so one ne nante no obaka say lumba to say ne person to say ni
sabi ni bia won na so
na kre
enti any me say mi la bet mi akaba nanu ya bra ya kun ya kun ya say no obi ya kun ewie no ya dey bufu me ya hangi ya in fact onu ka na hangi ya me on ma no afemba boss and we are would able for and this is the but when it comes to his work, we need time for
grow.
Baby. And you see no time, no sooner. We rest studio no time for calls, no time for visits, and rather many distributors never Big Ben.
Big Ben? Big Ben production.
Many Big Ben here didn't come when Big Ben here she was telling me said Omako Omodisike command Omoko is studio. Train for hours when P.
Wow.
And I'm say, Mama, Sunday also your studio we need time for BBS go down BB Anka and you only knew and you only knew where can you made the catch me so boy I miss me boy. So this is the kind of work ethic or
no.
Yeah,
but that's say I no pay when I'm reading sad that Jenny ho Sammy do phone ne baz say and see beja na what we
do. Saturday no even especially when I mentioned say my friend Enya the driver na no here BBNC
yes
from that time till at about 1 a.m. My phone me charge after that my birthday maybe I charge my phone 2 or 3 times but we know like people calling me left, right, and especially no one names them in any year.
Jumano. The patrol, woman engineer who make a cry. Tibako, see, but I say, na Yakoswa Mao Yako, Yadas only to train command pay.
That's right.
And the Dustin, and then a chain Como and I no pay, arguably the best DJ in Ghana ever, still mentoring or more Mudiachi, only Lumba, and an air Juma, and honest was share. On in a quaint one in a Juma Jumuno. And after free was honorable, so it was studio. Honorable, once Lumba was seen as MPP activist and MPP fan because he did the song Yentimba and Honorable Atwaso. Or you wait MPP for Yentimba. Only artists or a political song obi ebunfu. There are artists or Ghana or more political song pe no fans more divided. That the Lumba pe any artists or a political song will be at the same time. You made a political song by the Chisulu Coupe, Honorable or your new man and Ekufuado, Oceanida.
Yedikan, my main can't be Victoria and you can about Charles and Ejumai.
No, correct.
Sir, my corner, my friend is a Befi. I call near the Biabe 10-15 minutes. Now in PMI or studio. But just say, maybe they will be Piaba. To about Brian and studio. So there be my here and one answer. We couldn't feel our now Kone. The manema be breed, plants. Until never call around. I hear one about some 2-3 minutes be and Sunday I could studio. Timatran in Chen studio or to studio near Dinkomo near Kasako. That's how.
That means Lumba you go pay more once or pay animals.
Yeah. He loves nature.
Okay.
Natural. He loves nature. Plants, animals, and yeah. Okay. Quick, my memory question. Yes, no cray. Nanado Danko Kufado was sending tribute.
Oh.
And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the instrument who and the new Patriotic Party officially.
That's nice.
Na Honorable Kennedy Japan so
okay, that's very nice. We'll be an Odomo party in there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mahunu na Madam Penifwasi say yakai yeniano. Okay. Drew baby na inner circle of Nana Kufuado then candidates. Na I didn't who say who be here see benya campaign song. And ade. Eti commodity me mama in South Africa can arrange with that Lumba. Yeah. And Nana so mama kwati mase. So can you say yes sir? Eti arranged. Eti brain do ye no. Na the papa mu a esese me kofa Lumba de ne bre nana. Adodan kwa Kufuado fie nanka ye hwe but then Nana kan no. Wow. I'm a descent. Nana said, yes, I'll go to him. Let's go.
Wow, such a humble man.
Yeah. Nana did not for Nasadina, Sagashana, or Yeno, Sabreno. I got to love the man more.
Okay.
And Intina, Emubibri, Edina Chia, or politics. And indeed, that day I sat in the car with Nana Danko Kufuado. Yeah, at the back seat of the car. And other bodyguards, no name, charge in the car. Sabrina Charles to Tantra Hill. So we drove straight to Tantra Hill. We could do a call on Ubi a Tenase. Ti Nana Omaya Kwaba, Nibi Nana Kasu campaign song. So many uncle could do a bank Nana, I will do a campaign song for you. Now me yet Num no Manswa, Namsu Ubedin Kunim.
Wow,
I'm President of the Republic. Yes.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
So
when if you're easily going home,
yeah.
Where easily going home, the fear of current mood, Lumba fear horse.
And one actually, and Crantiane, Chabua Nomnia, na plants. I would do our show. Eti, Daddy Lumba, on you be an or a political activist? No, but na affiliation in the BBA or Donna or Woma. New Patriotic Party na emodu with some of us around, you know, now we feel comfortable.
That's nice.
Andy, a year no can say, your program be no say Andy ni wa onye. It happened. Sometimes it happened to me.
Oh, okay. That's all. Though there we have one in China.
I remember Kumasi. I think it was the 31st. Now, you know, Kumasi, you see, Chairman General, Kwame Adinkra. Adinkra mo promote 2. Program be near there. I mean, what happened? That day, me decided to make a program. No, it's not no elsewhere. Then I got a call, and I go back 10 p.m. Kwame Adinkra, Kwame. So I'm not away. You see me with me. I say I'm here, pa me, but I'm saying but oh, yeah, Kununi Uncle Casa, mamma, as much to me. Also, my state. Really, they are happy. So I got to the car and straight we went to the apartment. Me draw bodyguards, you move here, but me draw na.
That's right.
You got trans na mbisa no. Ko je dey asema no mami, ono ne version near there. The anam catch us okay, nyare. For my sake, and so omiyako. studio. No so okay obeba nti omuni na me di kai kwa me di kai no China. They had to sit in the car side by side and on my one condition I say stage in so akopim so boy I said you're ready, so I had to stay on the stage. Wow. So that's the man or attachment, that kind of you know. Or you two man no ajo atu ade a ompe e wona bra bo me kontompo waka we ne o china na waka we no and dey just will not take it or you need be.
Okay, I'm still on New Patriotic Party. No, say you way say 4 more for Nana. Yenti and also so embrace CCI. Yenti as patriotic as the party is, ne odomo or malumba. Any appreciation or more show no for Neo Yama passing in an Yankai. Ex-presidents Nana Danko Akufo-Addo tribute. Was with regret I have received the sad news of the passing of my dear friend and renowned music icon, Charles Kojo Fosu. Daddy Lumba, as we affectionately call him, was a patron among musical greats of all time and had a special connection with his fans and the entire nation. His hit-making songs will remain lasting contributions to my presidential journey and will forever be attached in the annals of political campaign of the New Patriotic Party. He will be sorely missed. May he peacefully rest in the bosom of the Almighty until the last day of the resurrection, when we shall all meet again. Incoming General Secretary. You move now day. It's what 3 favorite songs of Lumba. They obviously mean said they're producing in the back home.
Yeah, naturally.
Yeah.
About 2 months ago now, me call Lumba. Me coach na me yense monthly bia na try se me ko ba na me ntimi nya bia. Timi ko na me ne kasa na. O kasa honorable yi we the monsu ani nkugu. Na yenyina laughed over. Ana me ka kira no se some party mu ni o nam so. My emergency say me gina for general secretary.
Okay.
Na man. No say it's long overdue. That na seka what so party num da nya ne. And I'm see but on one condition no say there and I'm say over support to me. I say I said we no party there my support now. Who can so surprise him one day there. We dey na Akufo-Addo ba me fie. Ade say ka me mum na me corner na ho.
Na movie.
Na utime dey na Addo ba me fie. So I dey no me real fie that. So we recounted these things.
To your 3 favorite songs.
Yes, of course. He said, okay, I can continue.
Because you produced it, obviously. Because you produced it, obviously, I can't.
And me no pray.
Oh.
Me no pray. So I know number one.
Hey, won't you share na mombo my incoming general? Won't you share mombo no? Why? It won't some no. And the last 3rd one.
And you baby. Yeah, he na me ko yibi.
And my member, Bubra. Emra, me ba na me de you know pretty na atwaso mo. Is I remember Bubra no.
I been your hands so yeah quite a favorite song. Yes.
Yes. Wow. And my memo I been wa hey wo. Say eja wum. Yeah we EMD but.
Yope no be ata kai front my crew.
Waja great legacy because there was one thing about him, the music videos, they be an Maya and Waffle channel, where she and Lumba dancing. Oh, I'm funny crazy. His music still lives on because lyrics, no. I be they did do womb, they did to your home, be a womb. I just su ewo Lumba fear say about honum na honorable now or say one over pray, me no pray any free who I didn't be na. What an auntie I can say, you may be brave. What about Bobo Boswa?
Maybe Anquanoma. And you see a chope.
And you see a chope.
Yeah. Yes. You see, one thing with Lumba and the musical career, and he said, Ninyum no cry will release your mount. Yes, you know, another one I between. Now we are between. So sometimes people will call me. Come on, and we are not sitting.
Ampo, hey, honorable. Ampo, go for being television.
And I was there, Miss Odia Tobo, Bois, Bonnie Baby. I feel hard. We did a time about. I feel them at Tias. He's a legend.
Yes.
He is. If he say, Unipa would be BBC when you so, what brabum. Now, with me, Pim Kohun could drew one, and none of your a mammo. Your wife will be an Adom TV.
No cray.
Now, see, you knew me and son and I. Any brainy a home, ya auntie. It me suppress it, a binum Adom TV. Biohana, a boapani, a canna say. Now, so Yametiasi now, Unyame, a war a holding chain, Nipadas and Tibos a Piaba. A brave is here, and we got to know, name in particular, and near Penny, who said, Ranty enemy and Nuna Champon, that the Lumba, one do much a dear Cassau, Yamede Domo, and a Yumto. Until the best thing that meet me, I is a man encourage you. Sabre, you know, be answered any scam. Now, encouragement. Now, Babawa, Basu, oh, my dear, that kind of. So, busy, no, man, Nanya meeting your baby.
Tonight I was all warm, sir.
And you mean to be done as an Oma. We are my dear sister.
I can young girl. I just one more feels to see her current situation. Oh, Daddy Lumba, fear just morning, Papa, so for our poem way. Oh, mental one. Na yente wonka or mute yourself na yente me enter wonka enti empty efie ne white one no wada ma dan ne hwefie ne so de yente ne nyom back me mo no abonyom back o mra yemba na wa set up here na yenhwe ne yewa onu abuchemu akosa wonya otum sa afa ne nkofo pie hu omo nim no omo nim bo mo afa omo hu no it shock you honorable and really and any ejuma first yen kofie hobium em say owusu are ready owusu morning patron apom
sister Sandy me hold in senya me asem na onso
ne yen nyina ye kura nyame asem ne mo twitwiri pa yi wada ma atmosphere wo hot say ni obetime de anantifie okakra
all right yen hwe infonia etwegumei Charles Kojo Ofosu Daddy Lumba lefie ne is Legon obi pemu ewa ha ko chan koko ene tuntum an womo ede abobo gate na no sene o manfo enim no Daddy Lumba wato anananom ewo nsiedo ntino ne fie eni owura efie no mu nsusu a abansoro efie no esro no honsusu no behu se womo de kojan abobo bibia ewa ha na abra me bedru ha anopai no nsia no abusia ebi ewo inside ne manager a ono ne nyumto a onene enante kwabena ajima Roman father ono nso ewa around ewa ha ya no ye nene ebetwetwe nkomo na ye bisa no semba ko mienu bi sene nema eko enti wotimenka ewa ha sister Sandy aha aye dimpa no pe abra me bedu ha no womanfo a womotete area ha neighbors a womo ewa ha no ekiremu a Daddy Lumba nipa bi o nipa papa anopa bia no oba bedu obegina ne gate nim na se ohu se wotwem a wochia na ode ne nsa ehye ne botoma na we chop money at the amount anopa bia no omanfo omo wa ha no yo mo show pa ti wo mo kira pa nipa papa enti no me bo me ho modern se
yo
a manager
Roman
father ebeke enkomo na yehu de eko hihye abusuano edi egu akwam se ne omo de abetu dwa se kina ana omo bebi book of condolence no ana nyame adum susu a August onu susu no womo ebekoye vigil ewo Independence Square ye ne Roman father Ajimai kwabna Ajimai eni nkomo na pede kontu bepiem wo ha Piano, Obia, she tuntum, Obia, Obituum, oh, Daddy Lumba, oh, Papa, you know any papa.
Yadase. Yadase pay koswa na jine mu nya information bia wo to mane e ofia ye besum. When your manager, Roman father. Na yo abafo. Good morning, Roman father. Sister Sandy ni mo akwa baba Adom TV so.
Sandy mejo so.
Ba cho bibia boko de.
Na anu ye ni de enya boko.
Yanim say Sam radio aso share abapan because as manager na ne nam de ye hu say adaje ni hokra. Dia na beka fa ne ho quickly na ye njaw yanim say wo bo adwuma ho.
Sandy, that's it. My multimedia, Adom TV, and Shaman, and there will be a Adom TV. And I named the SCA. Na Araho. Then, some radiant. A best see the position for an SNK. I want to just say, I'm on this share chance, could you for so free? But I bear for social media need the likes, I know. Obia answered the acoso, but the traditionally no ye try my position for
money
near the own share about but and it's a book of condolence, no, it will be activated God willing tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 4, and then on the 2nd that's coming Saturday between the hours of 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. there will be a night to pleasure. Baby, by now, dear, Sunday Eddie.
Roman father, me enjoy me that sippy so near church. And come on, Yamenko so and Shamodin. Yadase. Prince that sippy to a German so honum na. Yen to us wa. Honorable, Yadibesi, Kofopi, or near me pika. Yadibesuka so per animals ne garden and pay a code if you own a garden, the channel who she. Honorable, well, find out West. Lumba fans, Abusia 4 fans will be bia near fancy.
And you are no me adofo asemaba. Na near any senior near you who be them, maybe be them. Say adofo be a bed Danieja. Indeed, I dear a friend who would ye in a daman sankum, says as a more the atonum. A daman sankum. Now, Ubia who follow that the lumber, the who say, oh, yeah, no way ye and sana. Oh. Makrakra mo. Ebi anama hu me bi. Enyum bebre out the efa owo asem ho. Enye se na adwen ne se obewu nemum onim se waye nipa yi ya wo ne de eden a ebeto no. Enti wo a wo hwe me na wotie me na ye tie ase na ye ntie ase hu se e kan ye ho. Na se ne ebekọ no. Den ni ebeja din ben ni ebeja. Na ye hukura kesi wom akunta buo ben na yebebu if say ye gidifo Bible your promise ye na ma miensa se be wo nipa ne ba no nipa ne ba ne bewu na onipa ne ba no bebu akunta mienu abem ya ma 3 promises mienu see awu nipa na nipa wu so it means say the third one definitely abeba nti da ye be kwa kugina temu na ni den ye be ka ya nu disemene de ehe anu ne ade ehia kwadwe de wadi kan akọ se de adi kan fo bi kọ no ni nwuma ana edi nachi onu ni nyame ntem eno eye onu na asema yedi betinya ya anse bobompa ya manekra nti mene wa yeti ase yemfantu ye hofo sana muntu obi ne yetu nanso nyame ani na emmoa o man chichire na ekuo kra ye wom ye ne ye ne bibia emmoa na tete afofora this is the time bra esese yesa yemfa odo ni ado enyomba kono se yemfa odo yesa
nampo
odo nti mo yemfa odo ni biakoye ntina ya ye nipa ye befom ye ho mo yemfa yemfom so nche na yenka hu se onyankopon na de ye ba asase so no we ye ready ne krado se ye gi yemfom so tuma ode beche ye nti mesrem nyina se boko na mo nso a ayo madwen se de abey the Bayer Cassanchi.
Social for one of one medical morning, so Munya social morning.
I know the Empacho one in the end of us. It's a 2 or 4.
Any 2 or 4 or Penya Cassa.
I have now, I'm Fenny and Aquan. The original Lumba brothers, you know. They see a palace to the mammy. Ola, Joe, Ashton Ola,
Ashton
Trusty, or Circle you.
What about China? You find pictures na Bray exclusively. You go so Chegu so I don't so the mom exclusive na JK Munina, watching a big move funny honorable time on your year, Juma for na. You being any na so watching a training in egu exclusive na book of condolence or more sign me sure honorable bedroom on tempe we who your cameras Adom TV you be training in egu dia mama why we for me director Mark Weber so yeah me director pa Thomas Massa AB Stefano MCR mu na boy chi don rabo be da say you tune safel we jai politics adwuma and need wa show because of child sinti nyame sha opi da say nsada me need the sister Sandy be a guy 2 times a guy yeah my muso dia ka echi bia de be so makramo.
Are you ready to see the legend? Should I bring him on? Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the legendary Daddy Lumba.
Well, here we now see a trying common to say, my main cow say, and a Jordan a quick reminder 28 days into the month of July, soon we'll be saying bye bye to July. Now, August and so the Nenimo Yamini Shira Nimpija at the Abre. I Bedroom. That's the last leg for Bedroom in terms of segmentation. 925, you better was it. Now, yet to me, Akai also say, you read you media, you do TV, and it's not be Biako Kama. The amount. It's tough for Ghanaians because one of our own revered, a legend, and Erade Atun Safreno in his time. And the mood of the country, whether we are Tintin, Titia, Koko, Tuntum, Ufi, Tifia, Nepuya, Nafuana, Toye, we are MPP and NDC. It's affected almost the entire country, the demise of our own. The superhero in the person of the late Charles Kojo Sudan de Lumba and DL and the brand. They say, Uncle Bushia and man. At this point, it's not about all what you say, but it's about how the family almost be to find your feet to ensure say that is the reality and when you be sustain your almost till. It's very important. All what we can do and say continuously, that has been the status quo. Radin Edema, Radin Edge, it's not a joke. Say, Ubi free una tokru, I friend tokru. Tokru be wa intimacy, hebema all the encouragement by you can fill that gap. Did you made it do me how the family a refi, Ohuana. Refuse kakra be no kwa kudu be kakra bia you come back say hey na owo he yeah nyi wie kra papa no nyame o madom 83 o mko kwa no enye adwuma ketu o tiwa pan na zaba I also on na matchro ultimate mistake craft friend number. So it is not a normal experience, but we will continuously wish ourselves the best and the strength of the Lord that has continuously sustained us. Death, very inevitable, but remember that grace and the power to stand it. Now 102 kura Dr. Kabila ni anti 95 asemwa because there was specific effort to be near kwanchrebi asan konfonko ne de mawa. You not get it anywhere. A certain bond be. Yeah, ne o mo so fanfare na aba se be obi anim lumba. Fanfare for no so atiesim asha se adwene time on betwa ntoma. You know. Very unfortunate. So to the kids and to the wife and to the family, to Lumba fans, to all of us, it's Dr. Kabila, on that note, Akwaba from Nkrangza Times Square, and Mijidi se home should be ko kama, because I was monitoring. I'm happy say ye di Bawku komo because of where you come from and what you know and input or the beba beka ho. Mijidi se want ye bibia ko kama.
Oh, nyame
1 week rather.
Na otwe da no. Nyame ye adom ma abusua hyiae ko bonkomo na nipa bai. In fact, na fi ayi wonu ma bakra ahoho ebeji wonum na ne eye nika sanso ya rechichire se swam so ye ne ho ayi kra sana oko. O ka asem bi se tokru bi wo ho a. In fact, wo tokru no enye bi wo ho a tokru bia wo de ba no ye ntimi nsida ye de bet na se akopim se ya so ye bekọ sa tokru no ebi mu na yeso ye ja sa tokru na jo ama ebi nom na anam suahunu ene ya nkasa so tibia ye famunti wo me ntiase wo wo ho eye sonko kakra nkwa ewo wo mu ena wo nkwa mu
nkwa wo mu
nkwa wo mu
ena wo
nkwa mu enye obra wasetna ne tenten ana ntiatia ne hia na mom nsunsanso a ewo wadasa so e de hye nyamedian ni.
So it's not about the
longevity or the brevity of your life that matters, but the impact on society in praise of God, in honor of your maker. Yes, your purpose near the God who made us had a purpose. Or pebia or the bomb in you come 90 min pie de bia me body say. Nyame the entire wo bomb me no. Mesro ma minru so ansana wa frame me. So that should be mini one more, mini avondi. Sa amanyo so mu na meni na nya adwene kra na. Mini one more obeka say bra we wuhia na. Say nyina achi no obefa bibi. That for me is my prayer. Say me so be banfa so ama nipa. Na hye nyame a obo me no anuonyam. Na ye kan sa ne ye ma eye Daddy Lumba. Na busua ya akokese pa. Na rechichi sema me de bema wo mu ne se Daddy Lumba oye ni ho ayi ansana koko. I'm say last year no nya 60 oye performance bi no gina stage no so no ka say nyame ama na di 60 so frɛ no a enha no na wa fire bi mu ɛna na oba up nipa de se de wo kan no se odi mfie wo ha eni akire kra ofri ensam atokro bi na abeda ho no because you can never replace it na nipa adwene no so nyame boy o nyame boy nti na ye nsuro nyame kakra komna
me who saw the 5 point be I bet you said that is yes. What we should pray for
in terms
of our league.
Umpire wo babo e de ama yen adasa yen omama eni yakanifo ne say ye benya de di kan adwene a ye de dwene yie the heads to think right they to be on ope ye de be som the will to serve akoma e wotima the heart to care any hum anase sunsuma e wonya misro
anya hum bia keke
dabi hum wonya misro na emanhunu mu na obehunu watamfo ene wadofo
discernment
yes na nsa eye adwuma ho te akono sepra mpo na wo pra wo pra wi aye se akobra bo fe pra ma ne ye fe otro ma ne ye fe okasa ma ne ye nika okasa ma aduaboto ye mu ba ti ye bompa ye se eni Daddy Lumba na busua
komo kakra ye die mo banya rechichire bi wo mu say daache obo Kristo nyum so kakra and I believe that onyu nyame na oji nipa no say dan kwa ma owu sori na chi ye bompaye say one my be kwa ko hia na ya to nyum wo say ye ko heaven a adwuma ebedi mu akotene pa ye
nyum
nti wo na me no ye ne nye no ye chase na ye fa enyum entity emu e wo ha no ye ma gusia ne yakọ.
Doc, thank you for your initial comments. In your vondi twifo atimokwa mrahye bedwani atenase o coordinating so o ka wona ya power mo se board no omo hwe na SIC rather sorry omo hwe na omo betinati nyoma oye penyin wo Pentecost asafum na osaye a businessman, a farmer, and a philanthropist. Akwaba. Bon.
Boko. So many. Already we are mobile.
Trifo atimokwa, what you saying?
Trifo atimokwa ye. Na yenyina ye bra pani we na amaya butu kakra. Endra metie maminchia woni anya bra hwe ye na. Endra me I think was it a week ago, me Julius share Obra Penny. So now you're the campaign manager.
Chief of staff.
Yes. Papa on it na se pan and it didn't come over 2-3 minutes. Minute now come over 1 hour. You have a different mind. He's just a good guy. Just a very nice person. So I mean chief of staff and pay. He's
you know a very good person.
I mean, he's a very good
person.
Very humble. Very humble, down to earth. You know,
very accessible to all manner of people.
I say, he's okay to meet everybody. And he's down to earth. He will talk with you. Then I come on me fine. What you mean? So you'll be a udonipa. Your mama soon be with me. But me church for Timokwa my any ahimfo for a woman, you know. I'm trying to say, Daddy. Ewu ono bibi nyuma metie mi pa no enipa mienu Daddy Lumba na kodwantwi enti meka bia no wo munyum wo bebre pa na metie ne wu no na afi mehwehwehwe videos bi wo social media to say dia menua kwabna kai na wo say what 60 years na a free a bra with 60 years you could and then the buffalo be friendly biano or beko na ayodo na makramo and all that no I feel say it was more of a prophecy and no mama come told me yam kakra say abrante no nim so beko enti oye ne kra ho adwuma onipa aseso odo no odo no onipa aseso odi boni che no odi boni che no na otena ase yi ene na busua an intermediate ewrade mfa ne kransie na ye be hie mu biom no na ye hunu se ye nim ani ye nim ahie biom mo ho Pentecost for tunum bi se wo behwem yen afa mo ronkom no mu akoyene janche wasro ya me ni voice bebre ntino o se yakoma beto yeyem ne urade be ma yakwa aba o how atiti yaredom ni nyina nkoba bio na enche urade be ba behwem wiase nyina de afamarom koyimu no de akotena na janche na yakoma beto yeyem kwabena watimi wakame wona wanka ne ye wona wanye ne ye ana wona nye sika wona anye sika wona didi wie wona didi enwie asoto yakoma beto yeyem daddy oye kudwo mi aso me ye kudwo nyame fa de krensie na busuafo ye mamo yakọ woka ne bebre nso a se dia woka ye ntokro bi wo ho a obi beka kire se o nkola ye behemo me kai bra your friend is saying late Komladumo efri mo no onim say Komladumo me ware ne cousin and na Herbert pay tribute no or catch them collar and say ice cream the dada toa or better more because him say Kwabena Herbert no me so tight. Right. I mean they were 3 friends, Kwabena, Herbert, and I don't want to mention the other one. So Ninja na echi no Kwabena was gone. Sato Krono would be ye. My mother died age 91, Kwabena, and then Misono. And Tebusian for Yabeka Yako. Now, someone has some much rare. Maybe I didn't find a branch and a cra and see.
You bet me a crossover quickly. Okay, so you need to crossover. Then let's get back. Doctor, now it's not more than worrying again. It's now a national emergency now. We have to address it. Yesusha nieti wo na abefam ko na abefam ko ye wi school abefam ko na starting 1992 na abefam ko na ye ko na abefam ko na ye na say abefam ko sama. We are wondering why Sadi we eso na dum afedi eso ba ko pe no ye hu se etre ewura mmia hodo bia se ye nyina ya mfe ensa be som say hey ye ne ba ye wo so no. Now, a jacket will be a soya, they see a far away from us. Now, a part of us. Now, a beautiful country, at the end of the day, is going to suffer for this big one. What do we do at this point, Doc? What do we do?
Oh, my, and yes, and for say the Nyamisro kakra, Nyado kakra, Nukredi, Ahobrasie. Ahobrasie ade ketekete a esombu kokro ahobrasie che se ba bia wo no unim se ha na mewo nso wabre wo ho ase washeda eye boapayo na eno ne ahobrasie no ye de be ka bom na ye di atena problems will be one man can you Mensa can be meaning say National Identification Authority.
What has happened?
ECOWAS card are your friend Ghana card. One more, one year Ghana for. One bi. Your friend of non-Ghanaians.
Yes.
Yes. So we provide information say, and as we de baby awomote ebe tudwa ye ma womo character say onye Ghana ni nso ote Ghana ene ya sha se ama wono mu enye Ghana fo character say womo ye Ghana fo enti owura ye otwa de ye friend John Awua, Chief Executive Officer at Ghana Association of Bankers or something na o kan say banks e wo Ghana ha no obe wotewa o mu eba a wo mukuta adansidie character say oye Ghana ni ubebusa na Ghana kasa de ni dinu nti ontiminka ama sisi ayi minim se wanya bia nanu ayi fake neme ya be ya ma bi kra be dada wa ma wanhwe wako tuske bi egu adenti ene sese ye trans na emra ebo ban ewo National Identification Authority wo mo ye adwuma ho asisi ye busa to ano ansa na ebe ma wadansidie krata ya ma wono ya nye na edima wono Ghana fo pa ye pebi no so ye nya me de no fri ase ama ya hu bibi se akwankyere ne de da ho emra ne de da ho nhihye ne de da ho na nso me ne umienu ye bra ye bo se ye de osibe ye oyo no ende be ma awie peyo boko asemfoforo be ne ete asemfoforo bi amai tadano na mom yesu ni ye na da amanyo santantanya ye wo Ghana eno any problem no se ko gina fidie so kase asembe ba boko a na obi epensu ntia nto abantia sa ni ikono emre ni wo yo tumi ye de fan nipa enye ye dia bre eni wo eni me Adom bi keke Ndisa adom wa na ya to ya no nareka kakra ni esusu kakra abakosem mu enhyehyɛ ya atetefo wo otutu nase a da bia obenya haw apamu anananom pamye ukotutu nase nne na ode ahensem di agro a ubenya problem nti asam no mi de mi boni tofa ne from bi no eye tete apam ne hyehyɛ a ye tutu nase nne ye de ne ani abutu de toso bio amanyo santantan a ye kɔhye bɔ a ye digi tumi anaje omanfo aba a wo mo to no ɛhye wo mo bɔ bi a ye wi a wo mo edi bebusa yensem de toso miensa bambo ho mfonso bambo ehun mfonso se mihye mi nua vondia odi kwadonti medi mani besi ne so mihye a oman ne kwabna asante a odi kwabna na medi kwabna nti ene ono de wofom kra on franco wo ye ne sa bambo no enye ban na wo bo eye yimu na wo ye ena de toso enan eye problem a anase hawa esese ye ma omanfo no na di anim kan ma ye so ano no ye ma omuni anim kan na mom ye yetse ye ne ye kire wonum kwan a ombetimi ombesi abo wo bra. The problems in Bawku are solvable in Bawku, not outside Bawku. You cannot force peace on people. Won't mean for or share and first sumdwe ma asumdwe kasa ayese konua ene bese ahan yetase no badwemba nyansa po ye di nyansa ne sane ye nsane no nkwasiem sebi oya ubeti ubebopo eti be stresse wa tumi kuta wo mo ne minim matra Bawku kakra mini anum bi shase ye Bawku Literary Society in the late 90s and the early 2000s. Na ye Mamprusi for boys, Kusase boys, Buzanga for, Hausa for, any akamfo bi na aka bom. Eh cosmopolitan. Mabuni ya ye bia edru bibia babia na ye dia manyosem akosai ni awo moye. Nti o man ye de meka kosi ni se ye tu otumfo santehene openso otumfo me chawa no pay modern bo ene akani a wo de na die wa hinsem wo Ghana hadmo no sabi enye ye mamu anko a abibremu anyina no eda nso ma amanfo ma ne krabehwe ye tu ni se oni ajetukuo bi nkohwe asem no mu aso anamo yesi ye tui ene na gina tukuo no ye ne omo di nkomo ana ye no mo di nkita ho ana akwanche be na nananom so edi aba ana omo di ama emabu na wo Bawku a me bi de minim se ye pesa ye tie wo mo anu asem a ye betimi atie wo mo anu asem no se na ye ni ebinum asi akasa ansana kuwa ye friend national security a wo mu djuma wo mu dia ne se akire anase kukuom wo mu doso nkwase enko hwehwe ni mamu djuma no se no mu sidi no na srema kase de esi wo Bawku a nsunsanso aba tulaku asehefa ewo eye Greater Accra hanmo enya asemfofo da bibiara asembesi wo baabi no omahene ewo nsunsanso wo Ghana fana nyina Martin Luther King Jr. can say or say injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Ye nyina yen kan unu say enne GLSS for Ghana living standard survey. The last one a omu ye no find this back omu ye ni say intermarriages inti enne ubehu obi ayawo no hanmo no na busio oye ne fa bi ye mo ni fa bi ye bono ni fa bi ye ayigbe anase anwuna ni fa bi ye sante ni fa bi ye bono ni fa bi ye nkan
ngona
bebre enti intermarriages ninti no ama a reduce tribal and ethnic disagreements at the same time ye maku bi pie mu a ti se de esi ya hadwen ti mesre na ni titru boku man ye ka twi o pa o kokọ boku a mesre obi bia wotie mi wo boku anopai se ye mfa tuntufo na o ma hene meti ha na metimi aka house anti ma menka na mensre wo na rokoko ni dan waye na mani na baba ni na de kuke boku safianga saboda Allah da iko mu yi niyya mu bari kokuwa mu bari kama bindiga sauci ya zo
Adom TV
mu duka da ikon Allah mu zaman lafiya boku ya ci gaba Ghana ya ci amfanin shi ko lafiya.
Well, Dr. Kabila, Kwabena Bonfede na CPE, Master Planner Junior say, great insights by Uncle Dr. James Kwabena Bonfede Kabila. Bawku really deserves peace. Until we stop politicizing this Bawku issue, it will be very difficult to stop this conflict. So, Master Planner Junior, that's for your insight. Just by the way of information, government gets tough with Bawku conflict. It moves from peacekeeping to peace enforcement. 2 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew imposed on Bawku, Nalerigu, and the environs. And then this one says, Army deploys forces in Bawku. Government evacuates students from Bawku and Nalerigu. It's now out of almost the hand. Obia a matter of relevant now. We all need to be part of solving the Bawku crisis. And I'm happy so aka how's Akasa now. We're also doing a prescription to what can be done in times like this. Government of the day, representative Waha, in fact, if I can see that Jina Onana Montuni or Monshi so said a bit of Boadi as you do on echi, or Yakosa in Yakendifo, Nabi Beatimako, I was to give the Amae. Fondi, at this point, Ususuma Yabai, a wona mode by and say, Dena at this point.
Medasi, Kwabna, Medasi Bebre, Bawku Asamano. Enya samwa eye Bawku fonko na enya won tokwa eye entokwa na ahya ase wo Bawku yanhwe yi a ebeji Ghana ba bia ifrise Ghana ha no obia tumi kotena ba bi enti wo behwe no kusasifuo ai mamprusi ohinfuo aigbefuo enkranfuo twefo yinyina tutu kwan kotena baabi ani nti no ene no ubetimi akase Bawkufo na enya won tokwa batunim san tokwa no ti yanso ano ntemu a betimi abegentine ne wo Ghana he nyina efrise sa wukum minua wo Bawku na menim se minua na wakunu Bawku no wonso wo nua wo ngranya ma be kunu ngranya wahwe ami kunu no na ba kwakọ kan krani bi na san krani no so di ne ho agim wo behwe no
na ba gia fa baby
na fa babia intanya ntokwa ye Bawku ntokwa
biu
aye ntokwa
every Bawku nsem
every Bawku nsem
abe Ghana ntokwa
abe Ghana ntokwa endi sabane sa dia ye beso ano san ye beso ano se enye Bawku nko na eso ano Nemum aye Ghana nyina na asesi yeso ano. Look, na edi akrampo ni ye hwehwe wiase. Ye nuanom ntenam nka asem amfi yensanto yensayem enka se ye ntwa so. Wa Liberia. Liberia was one of the most peaceful country in Africa. The whole of Africa. It's a boom no. Hwede krona ye. Ayenya Liberia camp near the Nkrofo ye kuon. Mfaso bempa na ntokwa no ko ya kosi na wie ye no Liberia nya awom. Onya mfaso bia. Into obi ntimi nkase Germany nka. Okay, fa no to nchen. Anu ye futu upa na obefa. I think that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama any NDC aban ya bay ya sedia krojen sɛ yɛtumi bua nana ɔte kɔkɔɔ soɔ asantehene asante wura nyansabu akwa yɛde ahyɛ ne nsa sɛ wɔn hwɛ n'asomdwe mbra no ɛsɛ sɛ yɛtumi bua no na wɔtumi yɛ sɛ adwuma no. You see, I have no doubt in His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, any interior minister, any friend defense minister, say won't be to me abua. And I think said the concept of peacekeeping, ye free one year peace enforcement, you know. I think that is the right way to go. Means me sanso de radia se say a school for sebi womo encanto kwa no ho ya ye kan be ka won keke asai woda che kukum bi ni ade no da mi adomo a aban yetimi akoye school ni nyina free ho e dia ba baby a esene fata asomdwe wo ho afei mesre ho brase ni ani diem mini akwabena kasa no no pa kire bibi se amanyosam awurawura ntokwa yi mu se be ya nke ya amanyosam fuo nke woyi die nke yenyi ho mfirim efiri se nkwa ni ho a bibia ni ho bio abato ni ho mawi ni election ni ho medi nkunim medi nkuguo ni ho enti nka woyi die a purely peace issue, a matter of life and death, a matter of survival. And intino, amanyosem funyina anyi omo ho gunche. Look, so maka semo ya ka so bamra shebe dwema akwabena. Said dia ye nnuama no. You'll be amazed. The way be someone say, "Hey, na nkrofo ne ye pia bonten a Yesu ban ti say ya na." Me did so obenya mamprosi ni wo parliament. Obenya bokuku sase ni wo parliament. Na onim say ye ko parliament sase nkrofo we hia. No mu tizi wo mo ho. We say o we ya makoa, we say o titi no we ya makoa. No maka no makobom, no makotodo kuno atena se ye didi abom anom nsu anom mineral bi abom no mo ko manim. This is the kind of people we have in parliament who are so kind to each other. So nice to each other. Menim di enti ase ye pia bonten a. Ne ye ti se de awiase no jata ya kwa ma chese. Meanwhile, when we meet in parliament, there is nothing like that. Look, I tell you what. Ye nua kumi a Awurade na akona homgye mu no. Anyonkofo akumi wo NDC mu no. Atoso se anyonkofo wo MPP mu. I mean, I happen to be in same committee with him, Land and Natural Resource. Meanwhile, see a core committee programs. Na me ni committee wa, ni committee wa. Any other, superior no my Deputy Minister for Communication designate. See a tioni a bon komo. Who NDC, who MPP. You can't somewhere frack kumemwa. You boy ya hon. Yan futuo ni ade de be ma media ma menua said ye be ya sa ni electoral issues here what court ye anya ha na meka no it was just say ye kan ye ho bom say nuanom. I don't know why say nya pia bonten na ye kaka hwe aginsem Lawrence ono na ofri ne constituency na come me constituency. Look, benini chia o baby because normally and he's part of my backbenchers committee. Ye chia o baby ni edi nkomo na de wi ye edi nkomo sresre menua no abe ha agime ni ade no obi ba MPP no makasa no MPP no makasa no pam no. I was like, I mean, the fact that you are an MPP doesn't mean you're not Ghanaian. Oh, intin ebrasua ase se ye say democracy na ye practice no ye be practice ni ye na ade asumdwe abrayen. Uko America sika wo munya nyina no ni dodo na no mo spend wo security bomb ba ko pa o mo koto wo Iran na nze no billions of dollars o mo spend wo sika nyina wo security ho if this is asumdwe ni wa bibia ni ho bio so nipa ntia ase ni asumdwe a Untumi nya hwe bi suku ni ho adwuma bi ani ho mi wo sika mi ni sika ni ho ene so $100 million kroa o account mu na oti boko na sabufra ketu abi abrante bi tamotuo tamaboba na odi ba America wo betu no wo sika nyina no wo dwene wo hu bebi odi beguo mesra ho brase ni ani diam asojafo ayede mu akoguo aposifo ayede mu akoguo me de menyaaya enke yen hwehwe wo mu yempu ansa na yede won bekọ yede won bekọ yempe wo mu a aye krojen peacekeepers peace lovers krojen meji wo mu nyina de se on be ye adwuma pa nanso efutuo na mede ma se so obi tilted towards one of the fashioner what I say wa hwe year na odisa adwene no ekoye ntokwa pattern no tie de me chere say obi wo ho a
so we should be mindful of
exactly
even
the kind of people
that we are sending to
police for near soldier for yedi wo mu ko hokra no let's be careful because one here na nipa no is tilted to one of the factions
right
hey na odisa adwene no ahye ni trim ekoye de because mesre bebi ade no kokoka de mesre me pam chew look see akoku mo bi okumase ebi so a enkran na ne hifa biom na aka so we call your mining areas now so we share sa one year free enough abegu ho no anya grow inte grow bia wo mo so inte santokwa look I tell you what a serious matter the abrante bi on my constituency o ya kusasi ni oka kire me say wo mo matutu kwan wa akwantuo mu no aye wo mo asede se bra kwa bra tie mi dog afisu a wo mu nyina atwe sika edi ko boa ntokwa no wo mu kurom me yam hyeme nyese wo mu twe sika ko boa se yensisi adan sisi factory wo mu kurom wo sisa afisu a boys na mrate na atukwan ko pe adwuma ayo no wo mu nyina atwe sika nkakra boa no eko boa ntokwa no wo mu kurom no wo ma dinkunim. How would you live like this? I am begging everybody in it. Me pamachao. Awo mi won kola 4. Chale, odo a me di do mabusua no ho. Me yere ni mabusua do a me do won. Se sa na e frɛ no odo dia. And in fact, odo you wu ampa. I can't see them go through pain. I am begging everybody. Nkola na eku omo. Emma Miss Rawon. They should just lay down there. Adie pa na wo be wukwa kunkumwa adie mfaso be na obi akon akunkum na busua aseye busua na abre ne mfaso da die ne mfaso be na wo benya mesrem wa wobrase ni nedim no fofo no bebre Muslims nkomshani Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam oyasomdwe hene Christopher bebre wo ho no yenyere Kristo Yesu owu obewu ye no wo waje adasa nyina nkwa and what yasumdwe abeche yen and sa enkrofo mienu nso ne doso Ghana aden ne yaja we nyina egu ho ne etimi ko fretuo ne jan a yentimi mfa bone nche menua asase ye ku hu empoi obi ntimi mfa bi nko ba bia asase ne da na da obi ntimi ntam bi nko ba bi na den ne ye ku ye hu sa ne ye ku ntokwa obi aka yentie mesre sesi anabe Ghana ntokwa wo nya nofu ntokwa nko me pamwache wan Brazil ni diem ena me nkotudwe gu fam boss misra dia bebia no asesasum dwe ba Ghana o to ani na he bebia ye we Cote d'Ivoire na wo kwa na Togo na he na se hwede esisi Togo Cote d'Ivoire na obekọ na Togo na obekọ ehin na wo bekọ chese ye say asum dwe wo Ghana yenye biom a na nye die pa na ye benya wo so Africa mesra wo Brazil ni diem you see Duncan William can send be on also for Duncan William or can send be the share dia masenka miss nyansa ntemwa dog and you be bria to me no and kbia to me you see I say for the sake of peace you have to let go some of your rights just for the sake of peace you have to let go some of your rights kamishia sadia we ntem and I'm letting go some of my right and can you maybe am afifem no kwabna kama mfem So for the sake of peace, right? Just let go some of your rights. That is your right. But you see, for the sake of peace, just let go some of your rights. Asumujenti. Just let go some of your rights. And I think, I hear now which I could draw. Yeah, kada de lumba. And you man one more. Nipa do send one affect you on more life. But wako. And dear pan, yeah, we are some round that's any liam. Just for the sake of peace. People should let go some of your rights. Just for the sake of peace. Mesre, I dear way dear. Well. Achadodo.
So that's it.
Achadodo.
Amahine.
Achadodo.
Oh. Do stay via ya man no cray nya adwuma. Every depa the way me never dey kasai. Wo so men so entamuye. Opa. Wa fidie so. Take some of the voices ahead of December 7th. But you see, that's the problem. That's the problem.
Mrs. Rao.
Once a neboso means, oh, Minia, Mamma can say, Kabnaka Assembly, and I want Upa find time and read The Dream Argument by René Descartes. Nipaya Juniwe. Yame boy refrain, but a refrain no moves was unborn kai. What kind trust him no kind Quran na? Nema ni nu ene mani paye bone se obema ni reafi na onkai okaya umfum umo reafi a obefum ye ba beto abano sankomo wi ene ye di ya me say go and pick some of the voices enti na make sure say me ka say nsam ni bi won mo a legacy issues apam ene hihye atetefo ye na nne ye de ye si eno ye abagim bre ne ye de yen na masem
abeka ho
tutu nase nya se ye abeka ho ye tutu nase ye de na masem no tutu tete nsam no ye tutu nase ene tin yakofre otumfo so onwremu nananom di asem a omo nya to say the adversarial court system now or say the judge is removed from the arena of conflict. Enti mo parties no mo medi mo nkomo de ne de emu eduru no da bi nananom de omu wuramu dosuko ekope no kure wom. And the point I'm making is that as I say you show repentance yen kire adwensachira enwira e ho say ensem bi won wa ye kan no na anu a amwa e ka ho bi e na asemi ti se de ti ye dwira ye ho ye nya bi what can say be there? You have to let go some of your rights. I can tell you, you can only let go some of your rights when you see a sign that letting go of that right will not be visited with a repetition of the abuse that you just suffered.
Okay, so
other than that, we nipa, you will fight back.
Kwabena.
Enti me ka kosi say, ye nyina da bi, ya nyintum say, nsam kai bi won wa anko yie. Efri na ekoi no, ye nya sabio.
All right.
So I just told her, who sends you good German manager? Evia, Makamo Honsam. Na say Jano go so dere. Na so person which reaction somewhere ya na
enuntina man keka enuntina man body
enuntina me man
wa modi man ka asem korona so but I dealt with the issue in a manner ye nyina beka hu say ye nya katasumu emuaso evi say wo fa ase
ekro
na da ho no no wo ka say eyi obesu enti umia krono na
ebetwa de nan
ese na
all right, so Yabeko could try this Bawku matter there. Well, because I feel you should be an only Ghanaian. Because baby, I what's that? A beautiful angle about all our friends from Bawku, various tribes in and almost spread over the country.
Yes.
Oh, baby, Oko Kuma Umikru, Oko Kwame, Omo, Oko Afo, Omo. Sa pepe na akọ framante metifi mante infini mante baby a obetia fe be say de yen afofo ye wo mia
na na me kan
eji mi se wa me ka bibi a chonye enya Bawku ntokwa bi
sabi Ghana se
Ghana ntokwa ya hwe ya
eti won hwe na odikodi agro se miles are away from you. Don't forget.
Joking.
Obako school ho. What's the wow for Sibia ko ware wo ho. Unu be a promote unu be ko koye adwuma. And you can imagine.
Me won nipa bi a omo Kumase. Anope ya ye kasa wo AM show no. And I send me message say Ninia Kuma Okocha or Chade or Sesia. Oh, it do say you cannot move.
Me call Burkina Faso. And na meba. Na me call me the flight na call me ba no me flight in jam me so me faka. When him said they had to bring me through a bulletproof car because Burkina Faso for
so we are
so listen.
But me the magnitude of the situation
because I had gone there on some very special duty issue, you know. So they had to drive me with bulletproof car from Burkina Faso right down to Tamale to pick a flight. Me na me yamra shebedweni ene bia urade hu mobo
na adumbia
nani obi a wonni sa privilege so
me ko fie wa kwara
nani e be ne den me look me pamochel me ko to drip gu form. Look, these things are very horrible. They are serious issues. So
it's a serious matter.
See, me, the point I'm making is that people who made commentaries of political nature that has contributed or have contributed to aggravate the situation, no, should go back eating their words. That's what I'm trying to say.
It's a serious matter.
And the Asana Kano. And you see, my point is that peace can never come to Bawku without the people of Bawku.
Exactly, they must solve their own problem.
And as some can. Me, I didn't talk about it because a legacy issue. Yama and then one man on said they working are obliged to contribute negatively.
Can you imagine?
Negatively.
I was
listen because Yayama asemwa yadani ani yade name asem adani ani yatitesem no abeye say
yeah.
So that lie have been told.
Are you getting it?
And you are born no I say you are planting where
exactly.
Thank you. As if though that is who we are.
All right, so
and that is not who you are.
You go try home.
I mean, it's serious.
You go try home, you better come out here. Well, as I said, we have the next 10 minutes to say thank you for your time and. Metro si conference ansana metime free hako nti me wan review star 281 hash now the option 4 na dijuma na afi ko woni mo kwanso kuso ba Metro ska Dr. Kabila wa ha so na nimyan for Vondi and so I want to say we have to wrap up honestly we have to wrap up because of time.
I think wrapping up no is good. Yanka, the next topic, budget review. I have no problem because you see, it's a piece in where there is no budget to even review and talk about. Prophet Lumumba say, I think one of the Kenyan biggest professors, or say, so we be so why be not what day, 2 hours, 3 hours. Church de wa yenu a
and na de na wa
onye if it said so wa ye bribi ampa ade na wa ye no ankasa be kasa ama ne ho and this wusi wa ye bribi now the be 2-3 years na be kasa ade na wa ye no asema and de wonya hwe ade na wa ye ne nkasa ama ne ho enti eno de economy ne de nyina ye ni tuade akọ enti na afi ne be ka ho asem bebre Dear me pesa me ka biom nie. Me nuanu mu a ewo Bawku. Anyone ye wo Ghana afa na nyina bebre a wo mo ye adwuma. Eji sika de akọ fie akobua akọboa ntokwa no. Na ntokwa na akọso no. Dear pesa me ka kire wo mu nie. Wonim. Wo ba sai wo daachi. Na wo ma daachi be sai. One year, any sika free santo koya air cosi. Kwabra say a businessman crofo.
Of course.
1 year, any sika free sa and tokoi munti. Ya 1% to canon between Radin Triamuka. na Ewurade nyim mfiri wiase ntam efiri sɛ munyɛ ni papa woni a empese Bawku ntɔkwa ne bɛgyae no Ewurade ntwa mo so ntam na o man nya asomdwe aw kwabra mepɛ I love humanity. I love to live in peace with people. I love to see others progressing. I love peace. And yes, I said, me ya kwasi anti na obi amadi a men kasa ho. Na ehi kura na obekwa akoduro. Ehi na wodi bekwa akoduro. Wan na de abufuo aye biribi no anya ho mfaso papa da. Listen, obi eni ho a wafuma edwa anya ne nsoso papa da. Ti mesremu ahobra emebunu ni mbabaye a hwe enti bebre no adwane afiri wa begunkran ubekọ aboboloshi ubekọ malata hei adisa na nsuo to na Newtown na ko bebi a onipa dase ni da na enisuo adano de me ni same fankola na wala nkrusa nem ade asa nsuo ato na me share da drive wo mo abefa ho na me de glass na bar from na me say look at your fellow human beings na back a small boy na say really this ones to live around here na me say wonya ho hwe brother na ya wado no me pa mo chawo emu ayenyo Ghana pe na aka wa Africa o hwe ukọ South Africa on sa xenophobia you know intehini ebekọ wo na wo region there wo se wo bubu na sei na pansa no ana wo de wa betena wo bi ha wo ba ya nso a wo se anya adwuma mfesika nkonko bo akọ no edie na wo de ya wo mesrem a wo brasiem mesrem Bawku ntokwa no adraso it must end. It must end. You are a human being like everybody.
Doc.
Anyway.
Yemfa nyamisro nuado nukredie ni ahobrase entena na yemo yebra. Na Ghana yesi mo ache. Yeye ni ya ebeyi ya mayina. Na menke ho.
Okay, so Dr. Kabila Kobna Bonse and Honorable Von D, grateful. Mamin Chawade. So roll it for me. Na menche di pa de na fe yenda obibias. Me already say be cross over na minya Prince or the late Daddy Lumba the fee and then some few conversations because 5432 and the number is 1. All right, so that's the winner. Let me give out the winner. 055. So the winner is all right, winner name by, but we have the winner already, so don't worry. Ombefreo star 281 hash option 4 no selected and then you are winning. So it's so 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. This is the winner. Number is 0546 501 star 0546 501 star. NBC na Adom TV. So we are crossing over. Prince, say what Tim can or deal late or the fee. What's really the feeling over there? Take over.
Senior man for a Charles Kwejo Ofosu adodo na ata friend said that the Lumba watwa nananum ewon siedo no ya bepie mu ewo ne fie ewo East Legon na bra ya bepie mu ewo ha no efie no fie fita na wohwe enim na womo ediko jan tuntum ne kokko ana womo ede abobo ha abra ya bedu ha anope no yehu se enuanom a womo ene da the Lumba adwuma womo nso aba bepie mu ewo ha womo nso ahihye tuntum ene kokko a womo ewo ha yewo ha ne yehu se da the Lumba ne ho kani ni nua ba enso aba ha a wono nso ene Lumba ne ho kani bedi nkomo a sisi wode nani kire asantimantem yene manager ema Charles Kwejo Ofosu kwabena agimai Roman father ebedi nkomo na yebisa Roman father nhihye a ebusua edi egu akwam yenya ne ntiese wo mo ebebi book of condolence nyame yadoma china ana August bosome no da etoso mienu na nadwo no no nsia no eno nso so no wo mo be vigil e wo Independence Square na je say adofo nina ebeba ho Lumba fan club wo ma wo mo Lumba wo mo nina ebeba enti no hwe mechie yi a adofo no ma Charles Kojo Ofosu Daddy Lumba ana wo mo aba ebusua efie wo ma ba ne fie Roman father yenya ntie se ebusua no bebie book of condolence na nhihye ne ti say
Meda say maminda multimedia say I think say Adom TV, right? Ebusua I say it will be a book of condolence from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Yeah. Ediama Obibiara. Yeah. And then on the 2nd of August, so coming Saturday, between the hours of 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. There, night vigil. And then from the ministry, Dofo na Ediama.
Alright, Abra ebeto just said that the Lumba atwana nanomo wonsie do no. Ode oni na ye dwuma pa che. News no Jenny saying.
I say kwakwa say for almost I think since 2015 every year be na boy your papa yoto, which is very bad. And you no kwa na no ko dwentwi ba fie on his royal blackness kin kosi cheida ka I can say omoti ye no na am say de bia Ghana for bi mo Lumba free mo ya mhihye tomti omo yam hye na even ko dwentwi kra ye de bi ye no kosi cheida kwa match de Shatawale I mean, you know, the way I if I celebrate is it's this Saturday meeting, you know. If I'm a fan, say Senia Etienne.
All right.